And here it is, my favorite jam, bring it to you live, Morning Child by DJ JEJUDOGE. Bring it on in, get to dancing, get to moving. I'll be there in about 5 minutes. Can't wait to see my lifers. Amazing day, what a beautiful day. I am so hyped. Let's get it. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. You're here with the Crypto Lifer. Thanks for jumping on in. We are pumping here. The coins are looking hot. I got some awesome calls to bring to you guys. I will not waste your time. If you came here, did you say thank you today? I woke up this morning. I said thank you for my legs as I walked to the bathroom. I said, you know, there's some people that do not have their legs. And I do. And I get to walk to the bathroom and I stay blessed. And it is a blessing. I tell you right now, man, I feel so blessed every single day that I wake up, that I get to be here. I do not have to work for a living. This is my job. I mean, to me, it's the hardest job I've ever had. Consistency every single day, no days off. But you know what? I'm here for the long haul, and I'm not going anywhere, man. They could try to rip my Bitcoin out of my cold, dead hands, and they won't get a piece of it. They won't get a Satoshi out of me. You ever hear that song, Can't Get a Dollar Out of Me? You can't get a Satoshi out of me, man. You can't. Not with a tank, not with a nuclear weapon. You could point it at my head. I will hold my freaking hardware wallet to the end of time. Shout out to the Crypto Lifers, man. Shout out to everyone here. Crypto Lifer Jar. They're coming out soon. Looking for NFT Crypto Lifer Jars and more awesome, cool merch and things that you can interact with and use every single day. Shout out to Captain Coach. Hit the like and the Lifer gives me free money. CHR, you're welcome. He, he, he. You see me start my day with drinking water here with you guys every single time, and that's what we do every single time. Can't seem to find where I put the music, which is funny because I would like to change the music a bit. Can't find it. Always happens. We're going to get into Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I have, but right off the bat, I'm going to give you my favorite call right off the bat for free. For free, my favorite call right here off the bat. I like Telcoin. Why do I like Telcoin? Extremely low here. Triple bottomed on the 1 hour. Ready to pop to the upside. We see elongated structure here on the MACD telling us, you know, it doesn't have a lot of bear. We should have had a big bear movement down. We did not. Flatlining. This is a bear. This is a beautiful bull pennant up to the upside. We're riding with the 200-day moving average. Whenever that's near the bottom of the pattern, good sign. 50-day is crossing. Looks like it's coming for the 200. That will be a golden cross and push the whole price on up. You're right near the bottom of the, like, this is it. This is it. To me, this is a golden entry for Telcoin. Beautiful, beautiful entry for Telcoin. So right off the bat, if you just came to the stream, I didn't waste any of your time. The idea here is I know your time is valuable on this earth. Every one of us could pass away tomorrow. None of us are guaranteed to be here. So with that being said, I truly believe that, and I live in that idea. And when you truly believe and live in that, then you know in your heart of hearts that, you know, we don't have time to waste here, so I'm not trying to waste your time. So if you came in here and you gave me a like, you gave me a comment, you gave me a view, you gave me a subscription, you helped me move forward in my life, then I'm going to help you move forward in your life. It's a good exchange, don't you think? So right off the bat, you've been here for what, 5-10 minutes if you watch the countdown, and right off the bat, you're getting a call. Telcoin, inside of a beautiful bull flag, bull pennant. I look for these for a living. How many times have I shown a bull pennant on this live stream, and how many times has it broken up to the upside? Many, 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 many times. So watch Telcoin. Believe me, Telcoin was all the way up at the top too. And if you want to look at the smaller idea of what Telcoin's doing, I mean, look, beautiful retracement. You don't buy things at the top, you buy things at the bottom. You go shopping, right? Bargain sales at TJ Maxx. That's what you want to be doing right here. Buy a Tommy Hilfiger shirt that you could have bought at Macy's for $80. Catch it a few months later on the sale rack at TJ Maxx. I mean, that's the idea here, right? Same shirt, same thing going on. Same coin, same fundamentals. The market just changed and flipped a little bit. Many thanks to my mentor. Shout out to Robert Horty with the 10 pound. Appreciate you, my friend, every single time coming through with the 10 pounds, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Didn't even ask for anything, just said thank you for my mentor. Thank you for being there, man. Hey guys, if you guys didn't have someone for me to teach, I would have no purpose in life. So thank you for a purpose in life. I finally found my purpose and it's with y'all. And you know what? Thank you so much for everything. So look, Telcoin booming up to the upside. You've never seen a YouTube channel like this. Every single day I give free calls. Then I also have a Patreon for $99 a month where you get even more access to me and my crew. Everyone that comes in is a progressive, positive person, ready to change their life, ready to say, you know what? I'm ready to learn. I don't know it all, and I want to become a crypto lifer. If you want to become a crypto lifer, first thing you got to do is just join the free Telegram group and jump on in. 3,000 members and counting. Jump on in. Not many channels have converted 30% of their subscribers to Telegram subscribers. We've done that here. Our conversion rate is awesome. So jump on in. We have 225 people in the Patreon and growing. Every single time someone joins, it's another progressive, smart amazing individual with more charts to look at. We have many eyes all over the market. So come on in. We also have 5 admins working day and night throughout the world helping you guys in the beginner's room. So we have a beginner's room to help you learn. I also tutor you for $100 an hour. Take 1 or 2, 3 sessions, $300. You will learn so much in that time. So literally for a 1-year subscription and 3 tutoring sessions, which is $1,300 in total. I don't think you're going to find a cheaper place to tackle the market and find someone that shows up every single day and shows you proof every single day, the calls that play out and what goes on. So stay tuned for more. We're looking very low here on the stochastic RSI, ready to rock to the upside. We're also getting a bull pennant here on the RSI. Whenever you can put the RSI inside of a bull pennant, this is a big deal. I also drank coffee today, and I never do. So we're going to be on hyperspeed. We're already on hyperspeed most of the time. I don't know how much faster we could go, but we're going to go even faster today. So we're going to pump you up. Also, no other channel has the energy, brings the vibes, and keeps it moving like the Crypto Lifers, man. And it's because of your vibes, your energy. You guys bring it to me. It's reflective. It keeps it pushing. And we keep moving every single day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Let me get the chat popped out. See what's going on with the chat. Interact with the chat. Shout out to all my peoples. Shout out to Robert Horty for the super chat, getting it started. Appreciate it, guys. Guys, here on the channel, I do not have a job. I make a living doing this. So if you could help me get an hourly wage during the live stream, it just helps out, and I appreciate it much. Chris Buckland, Morning Lifer, I emailed you about a tutoring session and Patreon and haven't heard anything back. Just wanted to make sure I got the right email. Not sure when you emailed. We are on Eastern time. I'll make sure someone gets back to you today, though, right away. Shout out to Lifers. Shout out to everyone listening and watching this awesome party. Shout out to my friend KC at the last floor. I know he's listening, and I'm on the first floor right now here in NS Key. That's pretty cool, man. Shout out to you, man, on the last floor and you on the first floor. Not sure really what that means, but I guess you guys are in a building and someone's up and someone's down. But shout out to everyone out there. Shout out to Gadasis. Shout out to Mitchell Gring. Shout out to Lever Eatra. Shout out to Captain Crunch. Shout out to Chris Buckland. We'll get you started. Shout out to Mohammed Adel. Salam alaikum to all my people. Shout out to Nacious Tim up there. I got a mod up in there. Only mod up in the game. Where my mods at today? What is going on? Did they not get the notification bell? Something happened. Something happened. We don't seem to see my whole team out. My whole team is gone. My entire team is gone. Never happens. So, interesting. 63 people watching, 37 likes, not the usual group. What's going on with the YouTube channel algorithm? Something's playing with us. Hey, Lifers, love from UAE. I'll just keep pushing and forget about it, but 66 people watching, 37 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers, please? All right, so we're going to get into the ideas here for BTC. But right off the bat, I like Telcoin. Already been given to the Patreons. Bottom call right there, already starting to make a bit of a move at 0.136. Stop loss would be at about 0.121. All right. Also, you have moving averages covering you. If the price starts to jump, it's going to probably bounce off the 50-day. This is a beautiful sign. One of the nicest trade positions I've ever seen with a 4.73 to 1 risk-reward ratio. You have a good risk-reward ratio. You have a bullish pennant. You have a MACD about to cross. You have the RSI, and you have the stochastic RSI ready to rock. You also have falling price with falling volume, which speds a reversal. What do I mean? Price is going from this top down to the down. Volume is going this way as well. That spells a reversal. When we have falling price and falling volume, we're going to see a pump to the upside. Watch Telcoin. Watch Telcoin. All right? I'm telling you right now, Telcoin looks extremely hot right now to me. I like Telcoin right here on the 1 hour. 4 hour also has momentum to the upside. We can see a double top on that 4 hour, so I know exactly where the 4 hour is sitting. Make a move for Telcoin. Scared money does not make money. You cannot sit on the sidelines the entire time. You got to make a move. When the charts call me, I make a move. This is on KuCoin. Get yourself a KuCoin account. I have a referral link in the description. Get down in there. I have referral links to KuCoin, to Binance, to Coinbase. Use the referral links. They help the channel greatly, and I'd greatly appreciate it. All right. Moving forward. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 75 people watching, 48 likes. Come on, man. Free trades are coming at you. I'm going to teach you how to be able to do this yourself and motivate you, get you moving, get you spinning, get you flying at the speed of light. So if that's something you want, if that's something you love, come on into the Crypto Lifer Show. Appreciate you guys. Okay, so moving forward, let's take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at Bitcoin, total 2, Bitcoin dominance, give you a view of what's happening in the entire markets. Okay, why do you look at those 4 things? Because they kind of show us what's going down in the market. Now, I projected this. Look, if you were part of my Patreon, let me show you how amazing the Patreon is and what I give to you guys, right? So I'm projecting last night. I'm trying to make something, seeing what's going down, and I'm like, okay, what do I see here for BTC, and what do I see here for a lot of what's happening in crypto, right? And I saw that Bitcoin was beginning to form this pattern, and I drew it before the pattern even played out, and that's why you have to learn how to project. I'm always projecting for you guys. Always trying to build a story. Always trying to teach you something and break it down so you can see what's going down, right? So look, right here, I have a BTC update. So the Patrons, you guys, if you're in my Patreon, you get updates, video updates. Possible flag if the 200 can hold on the 4 hour, right? And it did made the flag, right? So that was 8 in the morning that I put out. I gave Alice trades, showed you what's bullish. I mean, so much information given to you. Also have other analysts positioning, showing you what's going down in the market, right? It doesn't get better than this, man. BTC video updates throughout the day. 2 to 3, sometimes 4 video updates throughout the day. Trading ideas, explaining how to get in, how to get out, finding support and resistance. You name it, my Patreon will blow your mind. Jump on in before it is too late. And the market explodes and you don't have the skills you needed to master this market. The longer you wait for 100 bones, oh my gosh. So look at this. Look what we see happening here. This is an ascending triangle, bull pennant trying to form right now. Looking pretty nice for Bitcoin. All right, about to have a MACD cross. Same thing going on here for the 1 hour, pointing to the upside. So with Bitcoin looks bullish, what you want to do is you want to wrangle a USDT pair coin like Telcoin, like MATIC. You know, we're going to take a look at a bunch of different ideas here throughout the day, so stay tuned. Also, if you have a call, if you have something you want me to go over, send in a super chat and I'll go over it. Check out ETC next. Send in a super chat, please. Love the duet last night. Man, was great. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Game Dude, how long does it take to send algo to KuCoin so I can buy Telcoin? First withdrawal to KuCoin. I'm not sure, man. It's up to you. I've never done it. I got the notifications myself. Awesome. Mods stay up all night trading. I know, where are my mods? Not one mod in today. It's kind of weird. Except for Tenacious Tim. Never happens. Usually there's like 5 mods in every single day. It's the first time I've ever seen this. Rodney Robinson ain't here. The whole team ain't here. On a Thursday morning. Interesting. Shout out to 94 people watching, 56 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? If we get up to 100 likes, please hit me up. 100 likes, you get the bonus trade. I give a bonus trade if we get to 100 likes. That's my new thing. So if you get me to 100 likes, you get a bonus trade that I would only give to the Patrons. So if you guys hook me up, you get a bonus trade, but only if we get to 100 likes every single time. Otherwise, I have to keep it hidden. This is also a possible shoulder head, possible higher shoulder. Crazy idea, but there's an idea here for a neckline, a diagonal neckline here that we could break. We could have pierced it before it came back under. We want to break this diagonal neckline. Just an idea for BTC. So Bitcoin right now looking good on the 1 hour. That's the temporary trade, right? So there's the trade for BTC already given to the Patrons. We need a higher low, which I believe we're going to make, and we're doing very well. How are you feeling about MATIC today? Mr. Smurfington, Cade. We'll take a look at MATIC. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington coming up into the spot. Appreciate you. 94 people watching, 63 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? There's 29 people. Hit it up. 27 people doing it. 32,000 is holding very well, and we're showing you we're inside of a beautiful bull pennant. Looking pretty nice. Let's look at the 7 minute is about to boom too. So if you want to scalp on the smaller time frame, check it out. There's a trade on the 7 minute as well. I got a trade for the 1 hour. I got a scalp on you for the 7 minute. No other channel will give you 2 free trades right off the bat. What's good about the 7 minute is I usually stream for 2 hours. You're going to find out if this trade plays out right now in front of everybody. I'm going to actually either you'll see me fall on my face or you see the trade play out. You never know. And so you get a measured move here on the 7 minute. Whatever time frame you play that time frame. Oversold on the stochastics, getting a push up. Blue line looks like it's crossing the red line, and we're getting momentum to the upside. Measured move looks like this, up to this point, and I think we're going to start blasting up to the upside as well. 1.3% risk 6.6, 2.1 to risk reward ratio. I don't like it too much. It's a small scalp. You could shave this up a little bit below the 50-day moving average. Now you're talking about 2.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. Not too bad. But if you're feeding for a leverage trade, if you want to add something, this is a tiny 7-minute scalp on BTC. Let's see if it plays out. Highly likely breaking up to the upside right now, getting across from the 200 over the 50. Bullish, bullish, bullish. So bullish signs on smaller time frames, bullish signs on the 1 hour. Really good time to enter a BTC trade right now. Really, really good time, in my humble opinion. Highly likely it will play out in your upside if you play the probabilities, and this is what it is. Trading is playing probabilities. Look, starting to break out as we speak, 32,125. So the entry would be right now at 32,125. And you would try to get this all the way up to about what? 32,500 is the call. Not much resistance there. It looks like this is a pretty good trade to play out to the upside. You're playing a bull pennant. You're playing a cross on the moving averages. You got a bunch of things moving off for you. You even said you had a shoulder head and shoulder break to the upside. That's confirming a nice, strong region of support right there. All right, and you're getting stochastics put to the upside with a MACD with a lack of bearish momentum. Also, falling volume with falling price tells you there should be a reversal, and you see that again happening right now. Talk about that on the 7-minute. You just got 2 trades laced, 3 trades already given to you. Telcoin, Bitcoin on the 1 hour, Bitcoin on the 7-minute. I've never seen it. You tell me the trades. You tell me the YouTube channel that hooks you up every single day, explains how it's done, kind of shows you how to make these patterns, explains what trading is, really. Moving averages. And I show you we're in a bigger pennant now, a smaller pennant, macro and micro worlds. This trade is already going up to the upside. You already be up with some leverage. Just saying. And now you can hold me to this. We can pluck this 7-minute out, which I like to do. What I do is we're going to duplicate this. I'll pluck the 7-minute out. I swing it up to another time frame, another screen of mine, and then we'll come back to it and check it out in a second. Did you have your Wheaties today? I had my coffee today. I usually never drink coffee, so I am on cloud 5 right now, cloud 17. Shout out to everyone here. 95 people watching, 72 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would really, really appreciate it. It's the best thing you can do for me and my family. I'm out here every single time, busting my butt. I have not missed a day streaming in a long time. I think over a year, I have not missed one day streaming for my peoples, man. Not a red day, not a green day, not a massacre, not a dump. You name it, I've showed up every single day and been here for my peoples every single day. Shout out to everyone here. Dot and Atom, about to boom, baby. Anything with a USDT pair is about to follow this exact target. So if Bitcoin looks good, then you get ready and you find a USDT pair similar to this and you play it to the upside. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. 7-minute scalp and see if it can play out to the upside. I like this 7-minute scalp. The risk reward ratio is the only thing that has me down a little bit, but a lot of bullish feeling outside, a lot of good. I like what's going on here. It's bullish that we did not drop much. Of course it is. Let me open this up so I don't shave pieces of that. And that's on the 1 hour. That's on all time frames. 3 trades given to you in the first half an hour of a live stream. I've never seen it. 25 minutes, actually. Never seen it. Never seen it. BTC, USDT. I know a bunch of people like to trade a bunch of different ways here. And that is what it is. Shout out to everyone here. 98 people watching. 76 likes. If you get the likes up to 98, man, I told you if we get to 100 likes, I give you a bonus trade that I'm only going to give to my patrons. If we get to 100 likes, I give you a bonus trade. Only give to my Patreon. So you might want that trade. You just might. Look at my track record. Go through my trades. Go through my live streams for the last year. See how many trades we've hit. Very high win rate here at the Crypto Lifer Show. Okay. Thank you for everyone watching. I appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. More than you would ever know. You have changed my life in a way that I never thought possible. Never thought possible. I guess I did think it was possible, but when it finally comes to reality, there is something amazing that you feel that is just, there's no words for it. I said to my friend this morning, I said, I'm living in an imagination. I imaginated my Crypto Lifer logo. I imagined my channel. I then made the channel, and now the channel is my life. It just, I imagine the job that I work today. It's mind-boggling. Like, it's mind-boggling. And it's the best job I've ever had in my life. Like, and I answer to no man. Except to my Patreons. I answer to you guys every single day. I don't mind working for you guys. I'll work for you guys. You are some of the nicest, greatest, most energetic, most spiritual, most positive people I've ever met. All my Patreons, man, I love you guys. Thank you so much. Everything I need is to learn the skill to analyze the market, like and trade. Where would $20 get me started? Everything I needed is to learn skill to analyze the market. I can tell my man Lifer is extra juice today. Haha, definitely that coffee. Shout out to Madden Fan. Join the Patreon people. Shout out to Corey Loon. Kid Link Dude. Let's go, Lifer. Live still. Hit them likes. Maybe the effects of After Watch Party on mods. How y'all feeling about MATIC today? We'll take a look at MATIC in a second. You're the man, Lifer. Love you too. Shout out to Khan's work. Shout out to Trent Osborne. Shout out to Corey Long. Shout out to Cadesis. Appreciate all my peoples up in here. Okay, so that covers Bitcoin for the day. 1 hour should say Bitcoin wants to pump up until 8 p.m. tonight. Then we'll see what happens. Then we'll get a retracement. And we could, the only issue I see is, you know, then the 4 hours is going to get very extended. And today's Thursday, Friday, Saturday. By Saturday, it looks like we're going to have we might get a massive dump on the weekend. You know, we don't know. But, you know, suggesting that we may get a dump for the weekend, I'd like to see us push above 33,000. If we get above 33,000, it'd be a really nice positional strength. So that way, if we bounce back off 32K, I'd like to get far enough away from 32K that when the 4 hour resets, we get a good bounce to the upside, right? All right, so that's the idea, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate you more than you would ever know. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you. 99 people watching, 79 likes. If we get the likes up to 100, you get a awesome only given bonus Patreon. And 98 people watching. Let's get the likes up to 200, man. We were killing it before. It could be a bloody weekend, Jang Tung. I definitely think it could. We could be setting up for a bit of a bloody weekend. But daily time frame starting to move to the upside, and we got the push up. All the other times the daily moved up, we weren't breaking previous local highs. So far, we broke a previous local high. We need to get above, though. Daily candle needs to be closing above this 32,500 line. I'd like the daily candle close above 32,000. Honey Play going live tomorrow. More casino games getting added tomorrow on Honey. Dude, that's awesome. More honey status, man. And I keep staking my honey. I have not stopped. I'm not leaving the honey, baby. So Bitcoin on the daily time frame looks very, very nice, especially on the weekly as well. So far, so good. I'm not telling you we're out of the water yet. Until we break above 35K, even local support right here. We got to break above that. Until then, it is what it is, right? So if I move this out the way for a second, and you can see this is weekly support. We're holding here at 31,750. Very, very, very strong. So I would love to see that weekly support hold on this candle close. Weekly support does not hold. We could see more downside. So we're not out of the water yet. And I'm not telling you we're bullish. I'm not telling you we're bearish. I'm giving you trade by trade, day by day. We're going to take it level by level until we work our way out. We're going to identify a trend change. And once we see a trend change, we'll know. We'll begin to see what's happening inside of the markets due to support and resistance. All right? And I'll take you through it every single day with total 2 Bitcoin dominance and the entire market. And you're going to figure out what's happening inside of the market every single day. If you come to my channel, I'm going to teach you guys about support and resistance. Going to teach you guys how to find angles, how to find the positional strength with patterns. This is a shoulder. This could be a head. This could be a shoulder. There's talks that this is a head and shoulder, and it's going to break to the downside and at least hit this level here at 19K, 20K, revisit to the all-time high. These things are possible. We should have done that. Shout out to Scott Lee. Thank you for the $10 shout out. Appreciate you much. Thank you very, very much. I had a tutoring session today with a man named Mark. Mark, I was in the tutoring session for about 15 minutes, and then eventually I had to leave. I don't stay more than 15 minutes. I apologize if we missed each other. We will reschedule and get you back on. DOT is still in the downward trend. So there you go. Shout out to Descom. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate you. We're going to take a look at MATIC. Thank you for the super chats coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you sending in those super chats. Every little bit helps and keeps me going every single day. Those super chats give me good energy. They let me know, okay, I'm going to be able to do this for a living. This is working. That little bit of confirmation that I can still do this and keep it moving. And the man won't gobble me up in this crazy, crazy economy where people are just going up and down. Bitcoin coming down on the 5 minute. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's get real, okay? Put your focus where the 5 minute, Okay, so Rev up, XLM up, Waves booming. I keep talking about this fun coin. It's on my radar. Let's take a look at Waves here. Everything oversold on the weekly. It's telling you this is time. And look, weekly support is holding for Waves at 11. Very nice time. Look at that. And you can see that's a bit of a flag here for Waves on the weekly time frame. Look at that. So we had our pump, we had our dump. Bull market never really started yet. They manipulated Bitcoin so they could get back in. What they did is they paused the bull market, strung it back down, but the elastic was so strong, when they let it go, it's going to freaking rip back up to the upside. That's what I feel happening. That's what we're seeing here in the charts as well. Downward momentum here on the stochastics, but upward momentum on price. Even here, that is bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Hidden bullish. I mean, swing up to swing up. These swing down, they go flat, or this one goes up. Tells you that there's momentum to the upside for Waves, and Waves represents a lot of other coins. A big idea. Have you looked at JEJUDOGE yet? Ooh, did it take a beat down? No, I haven't taken a look into JEJUDOGE. Let's take a look at it. Dumb City? I don't even want to look at it. I'm like, ooh, Mr. Fantastic. Appreciate you bringing up JEJUDOGE. Don't say that, D. Harrison. I'm not mentioning that. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that, bro. I'm not saying it. I'm not going there. Keeping my head on about me. It's all about the charts, all about the coins. That's what people want. No one wants to play games. Wow, so JEJUDOGE goes on a massive pump. Unbelievable. A massive pump from the bottoms. And that's a shoulder head, possible shoulder there, and it pumped off that idea. How much did JEJUDOGE burn? Let's see. 52% gains? This thing is still down from where it was. But it is consolidating into like a giant pennant, which could break to the upside. Let me show you what I'm seeing here for JEJUDOGE. See that? I'm doing it messy and quick, but you see this does have a bit of a line of support and resistance here. It bottomed. It looks like it bottomed there. 1, 2, 3, triple bottom. Break to the upside with a measured move back to the all-time high. So you know what? JEJUDOGE may not be done yet. I'm holding it. I'm going to hold it for a long time. At least 4, 5, 6 months. I'm going to give it its time. This market comes back hard. You're going to see all these little coins fly up to the upside. Looks like Bitcoin might complete the head and shoulder pattern. Sorry if you already talked about it. It's possible. You never know. 7-minute dumping hard. You guys, your dumping hard is funny. Let's take a look at what your dumping hard means. That's a dump hard? That's dumping hard? Bouncing back into the channel and bouncing off the bottom and not even going near the stop loss? Bouncing beautifully off the previous support region? That's actually a perfect entry into Bitcoin on the 7-minute. Looks like it's going to bounce right there and keep pumping. That's not a dump. That's not dumping hard. Whoever said dumping hard, you need a tutoring session. Please hit the link to get your tutoring session. I'll be there for you. I'll help you out. All right? Look for ERC version. Beautiful day. Glad to be here with y'all. Thanks, Lifer, for all you do. Appreciate you. Shoot Keynesian point. Shout out to meet you. Fantastic. Look for the ERC 20 version. Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm in the wrong spot. That's the BFC scam. Sorry. Dex Tools. IO, baby. JEJUDOGE. Looks like it was the last one right there. Jeju, baby. Jeju. There it is. JEJUDOGE. Few bucks dumping hard. Ha ha ha. I know, right? Beautiful day. Glad to be here with y'all. That's why you're the pro and I'm not. As soon as I see red, I panic. Shout out to Paris White Wilding. I see red and I buy it up hardcore. I dollar cost average into red and it makes me a lot of monkeys, man. Yeah, JEJUDOGE looks like it just bottomed to the bottoms of the bottoms. I don't see anything fun out of that one. Major bottom. Look at it, dump. Trash, man. Why did you ask me to look at JEJUDOGE? Like, what's the point? Not to be rude, I'm trying, I guess it sounds rude, but like, I'm just wondering, like, okay, a little pump to the upside here, and then forming an uptrend, I guess. Cool. Ramp DeFi up 30% in the last hour or so. Yeah, Lord, I apologize for that. Trent Osborne. I don't know what Tread said, but let's see. I'm gonna go around work and use the computer, hit the likes button. Yeah, it's a good idea, man. Holy wrecked Batman. Yeah, JEJUDOGE in the bottom of the bottoms, man. Play with the real coins, man. Play with the real coins. ADT, FIO, Rarible. All right, Rarible doing its thing. We're gonna start showing you what's up today. A lot of coins pumping to the upside, and we're seeing some momentum. All right, we'll take a look at my baby Atom too on the weekly. Look at Atom. Weekly time frame and a bit of a cup and handle there. Look at this cup. There's your handle pumping to the upside. Watch Atom at weekly support too. Bounce right off of weekly support. This is the BTC pair for Atom. Looking pretty nice. Atom BTC just forming this long consolidated trend. Seemed like it broke out, came back down to support. Look, shoulder, head, and shoulder broke to the downside. Thanks for not reading that. I don't know. I don't know what you said. I couldn't see it. I don't see it all. Now I'm trying to find it. How's the volume on BTC? It's all right. Could be better, could be worse. Maybe effects of the afterwatch party on the miles. Yeah. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you coming on in. 111 people watching, 88 likes. If we get to 100 likes, I'll give you the bonus pack. You'll see something that I want to show you guys about the market that I only give to my patrons. Give me 100 likes. All right? My patrons are like, no, we don't want to give you 100 likes. We don't want to give it away. Don't worry, you guys get way more than they will. I appreciate you guys. You have 24-hour access to the Crypto Lifers. As long as I'm awake, I'm around. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate you guys. Sorry, 1 second. I gotta delete the count. I gotta delete the timestamps. Forget to do that sometimes. All right, there we go. Okay. Okay. Moving forward, we're going to take a look at total 2, which is the entire market. All right. XLM pumping. Let's take a look at XLM doing its thing. USDT on Binance. International Binance, baby. The most, oof. That's serious pump to the upside. There we go. Wow. Yeah, and look, previous resistance was right here. If you can break previous resistance, watch it to pump to the upside. 1 hour extremely overbought, getting to the move to the upside. So watch, this one's kind of doing, it's ahead of the other ones, you know? It's kind of moving forward faster than a lot of the other coins. So right here, when we look at it, you can see this is what we have going. And it's a falling wedge, 68% chance of a break to the upside. This was the idea here, and we broke previous resistance to the upside, pumping very, very hard. Now, I have a green line here, which is our next support resistance line at 26. We break above 26, look for a break to up here and a retest. We usually do get stopped by the 200-day moving average on the 4 hour. Look how that becomes a rejection point. You may want to take some profits here if you're in this trade. Okay. Looks like BTC hit your mark. Give me 100 likes, man. XLM pumping. Harmony. Send in a super chat, please, guys, so I can see it, too. It makes it a lot easier for me to see what you're talking about. Trying to go through all the chats as fast as I can. H-bar, Harmony, XLM pumping. Bitcoin yet. You can give out likes to girls you don't know on Instagram all day, but not to the lifer, Captain Crunch, right? You're funny, right? But not to someone who pays you for free. It's all good, man. I love it. We fight every day for what we have. Nothing is free. Nothing is given. Nothing is given to you. Let's go Shiba Army. Let's take a look at Luna. What's happening with Luna? Well, I see Luna in this giant cup and handle. Right? Only a matter of time till it breaks to the upside. There's a call for Luna to get in right here. Stop loss below the previous low and keep riding it to the upside. So here's my, I think it was on the 4 hour time frame. It shifts if you, so it's not going to put it up like that. But here's the idea, man. Shoulder, head, and shoulder is going to make another shoulder. Also, breaking above the 200-day moving average on the 1 hour. Very, very good sign for Luna. I could actually shift this. Hold on. That's what I see happening for Luna. It is in a cup and handle. There was your handle. Beautiful, beautiful falling wedge. It broke previous resistance from the 11th of July and creeping up. If it breaks here, watch it to come back down to support at 660, 680 for your next entry. That's what I'm thinking. Also about to get a golden cross here on the 1 hour. Not bad. And momentum to the upside coming. So watch Luna. Watch Luna. Go to a smaller time frame so you can find a pennant, something, right? This is how you play it. You go to the 15-minute, look for something that you can see playing out. We do see a rising wedge right here. 68% chance of a break to the downside, and we're getting overbought. So, will Luna break down, and then will that be your entry back into Luna right here? Something to think about. If not, and it breaks up, look for the breakup, the retest, and then you're gone. There's your two ideas for Luna if you want to get into Luna. All right. Could take a look at Link. Please send in a super chat. Big Irish, man. He be killing it on here. And a hot tub. Sell my BTC and put it in ETH for now? I don't know. I'm so confused. Anything can happen. 32K to 33 is key. If he wore a bikini, yeah, right, and a hot tub, he'd be killing it on here. You guys are hilarious, man. Shout out to Kiki Lau. Could you take a look at Link? You never know. H-bar, XLM pumping. Holy wrecked Batman. You guys are hilarious, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. I'm going to keep pushing it forward. 129 people watching, 106 likes. We did get to 100 likes, so now you get the free bonus trade coming at you. All right? Number one idea. Look, bell. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Broke to the upside. Neckline. And I'm telling you, man, this is what you want to be able to figure out. If you can, there's always a pattern at play. You just have to find it. You just have to find it. And these patterns are crazy. Like, this is... It's funny, if I took this and flipped it upside down, like, watch, this is crazy. I'm going to have to blow your minds. Who wants their minds blown? I do. All right, watch this. Watch what I'm about to do. Watch what my mind just saw. My mind just saw something insane. Not the best, bad fractal to put out, but look. If you copy this, and then we go to BTC, like back on the bigger time frame, right? just seeing something and I'm just trying it out. Doesn't mean it's right or perfect. I'm just trying something out, guys. So bear with me now. So remember, I just grabbed a fractal. Why did I grab a fractal from Bell? Well, you'll see in a second. Then I'm going to paste the fractal here. All right. But what I'm going to do is, look, I'm going to flip it upside down. Remember, it was like this. So look, I flipped it upside down. And look, doesn't it look just like this Bitcoin move? Look at that. Isn't that creepy? My mind saw the connection real fast. I was like, yo, that looks just like what Bitcoin was doing. So crazy, right? It says maybe more downside. Possibly. See that? Just something to think about. You know, it's crazy mind stuff that I'm doing, but just interesting. It's just interesting. I just wanted to do that. BABYCAKE is on fire. I've been gaining 3K a day just holding it. People not seeing the upside of XRP is insane. Gonna be too late when they realize. Shout out to Big Irish. Yo, we talked about XRP last night, man. For real, XRP gonna make me rich soon. Dude, don't worry about it, man. XRP is gonna go to the moon, baby. ETC broke out of the channel. Ethereum Classic. Let's take a look at ETC, BTC. Send in a super chat if you want me to go over your coin or give you some awesome information about what I see happening in the market with your specific position. Okay, so Ethereum Classic. There's the shoulder, head, shoulder there too. Giant head and shoulder forming, okay? It retraced all the way back down. Let's see the retracement on the pump with the Fibonacci. You come here, you're going to learn Fibonacci, support and resistance, pattern trading, and divergences. You got to know them all and combine them all together to make your package. Look, all the way down to the 886 retracement. That's the retracement. 80%, 85% retracement. Great stream, by the way. Always. Shout out to Big Irish. Appreciate you, man. ETC broke out of the channel. We're gonna verify that. The money's coming. BABYCAKE is on fire. I've been gaining 3K a day just holding it. Damn, dude. I didn't know you got reflections on cake by holding BABYCAKE. That's insane. Now you make me want to get into BABYCAKE. More deep dives, more work. It's never enough. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Beautiful inverted head and shoulders here forming. Possible break to the upside on the right shoulder. That was your buy. Positional strength. It was also divergence. Let me show you what I mean. You had right here. You had swing down to swing down here at the bottom of the pattern. Also, make sure your patterns are nice and tight. I've been doing stuff like this. They break these heads out of the patterns. Or you can shrink it to this line here. Okay. New project called Cake Pro. Are you kidding me? Wow, ETH Classic got slammed. Holy mac. Great stream, by the way. Yes, it did, D. Harrison. So look, Ethereum Classic right there. Oh, it did. All the way back to 36 bucks, 42 bucks, but still pumping pretty nice. And now what I want to see, if it breaks this resistance point here, anything could happen. So watch out. 4 hour does still have momentum to the upside. Could double top up there. 1 hour's ready to rock. Smaller time frame even has, look, a shoulder head and a shoulder forming here with a neckline. So here's your idea for Ethereum Classic on the small time. Boom, look at that. Swing up, swing low. Here's your neckline down to the head. Breaking up to the upside here. Boom, back to positional rejection area by this top trend line. But you know what? That's a trade. That's a viable trade there on the 1 hour for Ethereum Classic. The buy would be right around here. The stop loss would be below these previous lows, maybe even right around there. See if you can get it pumped to the upside. Let's see what you get. 6%, 14, not the best. Raise that stop to the previous low here on a wick. You are playing it close to the bone, right around there. About a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Not too bad, not too shabby. Possible idea for a trade on Ethereum Classic. Looking very nice in the stochastics. Also, we got a bit of a bull pennant here on the RSI, telling you that the RSI wants to continue to break to the upside. Lack of bearish momentum here. It's going to follow anything. Anything with a USDT pair, it looks like it's going to follow this Bitcoin pump through the rest of the day. I'm calling a bit of a pump for the rest of the day, up until 8 p.m. And after that, then you never know. So as I cry, how do you decide where to draw your trend line? Like, I get the concept, but I feel like every uses a different trend line on his TA. Is that like a general standard? No, it's not. You got to make sure, no one uses different trend lines. You got to make sure that you touch all 2 or 3 candles. Also, I make sure I touch candles. Some people touch candles and wicks, or just wicks. I make sure candle bodies are the ones you want to touch. If we can hold 32K until 50 MA catches up on the 1 hour, I think we pump. I like your idea. That's a viable idea. I see what you're saying. And yeah, we keep going sideways. I mean, and that's my sideways belief here. 144 people watching, 113 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers, please? It would be awesome if we had 144 likes. The lifer way is to do the right thing. The money's coming, baby. The money is coming. Shout out to BABYCAKE. Shout out to Do Your Own Research team, man. I love that coin. Love that coin. My dudes. Shout out to Bonfire. Bonfire team's pretty cool too. Ethereum Classic. Isn't that funny, man? Yeah, man. ETC booming up 14% gains on a little bit of a move. Nice little pump coming. So what is my call? What is my major call? I really like LTX here. I'm giving you guys Lattice Token. All right. Why do I like Lattice Token? Well, continue to break down. Look beautiful, right? We said we're going to just continue to watch it. There was no guarantee it was going to do its thing. Continue to watch this track. Lattice Token. Look, forming a beautiful cup and handle now. A beautiful cup and handle for Lattice Token. If we take a look at the cup and handle on the 6 hour, it might give us a little bit of a, yeah, let's look at that. So initial got stopped out at 8%. Okay, no worries. We got a Bitcoin dumpage. Lattice Token took the beat down to the 200-day moving average, right? Let's take a look at what's happening on the 4 hour and the daily. So 4 hours is a little high now too, suggesting this one that comes right down. We might see some more retracement here for Lattice Token. But all eyes on it. I'm going to keep watching it. I'm going to keep watching it. Look, if it comes back down to support and double bottoms here, that's suggesting what the 4 hour wants to do. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour still got some downtime too. So let's look at this. This is flagging actually right here. So look, I'm going to delete all the other work here. We're just going to play a smaller time frame for Lattice Token. Lattice Token in a bit of a flag with a cup and handle on a smaller time frame. Okay. This is your cup. There's your handle. Okay. And to me, it's a bit of a flag. That's flagging. Okay. Like everything else. Moving averages curling up. 50 coming for that 200. Right? And you do have, look, right there. We got to break back above that line. Resistance. Resistance. We bounced. We bounced. And look, we're bouncing off the 50-day moving average right there. Really good sign. A little more momentum coming to the downside. Could be the end right there for Lattice Token. So watch Lattice Token very, very closely. Got some levels of support and resistance that it needs to hit. But it looks like it can get up. Take the risk-reward ratio. Not bad at all. The idea is you could lose 5 of these in a row if you hit 5 more. So you lose 6. If you raise that to 6, that's 30% loss. But if you make 5, that's 175%, right? 5 times 30 is 150. 5 times 5 is 25. 175% gains. And then you only lose 30. You're still up 145% if you only make 5 out of 5 of these trades. Even if you lose, say you make 3 out of 10 of these trades. Say 7 times you get hit off. 5, 5, 5, 5. 7 times, let me raise up. 7 times 6 is 42%. But if 3 of them hit, that's 95%. You're up 50% on your capital. You only need to make 3 out of 10 of your trades if you trade the proper risk-reward ratio. All right? Same with BCH. Yeah, thank you for teaching our... Yeah. Shout out to Jose Lopez. GMR looking good. Gamer Token. I like that, man. I'm still in Gamer too. I've noticed when ETC pumps and Bitcoin consolidates, BTC will typically follow its path after about 6 hours. I think you're right too. Yeah, there's a bit of a front running on ETC Classic. I've seen that as well. I really got to learn how to use Pancake Swap and all that. It's not that hard, man. Set up a tutoring session. Like for 1 hour for $99. I'll teach you everything you need to know. A lot of people set up tutoring sessions and they just want to know how to use Pancake Swap, how to send money from Binance, exactly what they need to do. And I'm there for you guys, there to show you. And I've helped a 75-year-old person do it really slow, walk them through it, learn what they need. Yeah, I'm about to drop another 5,000 in BABYCAKE. Damn, man, the money coming in. I'm going to take a look at BABYCAKE in a second, too. Let's take a look at the BABYCAKE chart. What's up with BABYCAKE? And guys, BABYCAKE high risk. These are tiny little coins. Microcap. Be very, very careful with these coins. BABYCAKE. Want to make sure I have the right BABYCAKE. $50 million market cap. That makes sense. Wow, this thing just exploding. I really wish we had got... You told me about BABYCAKE yesterday. It dumped. The dump right there. From the dump, what happened to BABYCAKE? I'll go to a smaller time frame, see if we can see a flag. What's going on with BABYCAKE? Wow, let's take a look at BABYCAKE, man. Wow, look at that trajectory to the upside. Beautiful. Double top possible there. One there too, but kept continuing to the upside. Possible bearish divergence that it negated. Came back down. Now, wow. Look at our support and resistance lines for BABYCAKE. This thing is doing its job. It is pumping like the music right now. Doing its job. Wow. BABYCAKE doing its thing. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Kicking it with me. I really appreciate it. Without you, I would not have a live stream. I would not be doing anything. I'd be talking to myself. And I know that. So thank you very much for everything you guys have given me. I'm so appreciative of every single thing that I receive here at the Crypto Lifer Show. BABYCAKE, man. And we talked about BABYCAKE yesterday. 14 bars on the 5 minute. Up 165% gain. So we talked about it yesterday. You would have been up 165% with BABYCAKE. It is forming this kind of a rising wedge. That has a 68% chance of a break to the downside. We'll see though. So here's your level of support right there. Right there. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder. And look at even here. This is crazy, man. The TA does play out, even on these tiny coins. Look at this. Look at this. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and bam. I mean, beautiful head and shoulder right there. Beautiful. Look at it. Textbook. Broke to the upside. You could also call it a flag with a breakdown. See that? Or you could even done this. So look, it formed a bull pennant and it broke out of the bull pennant. Measured move too. Length of the pole. Wow, man, BABYCAKE. I'm going to wait for the next fall back to the downside. If it has a big dump, either to here or here, there's levels I'm going to watch. If it dumps to here, here, or here, these three areas, even all the way back down here, possible. But to me, man, it already did the retracement. Watch, even pull a Fibonacci on this. I'm telling you, these coins do follow some TA. Some people say, oh, they don't follow TA, but they kind of do. They kind of do. Let me show you. I'm just going to pull a Fibonacci on that retracement there, and then we'll see. I'm using this as a teaching arrangement, right? You can learn it. You can always use any chart to learn at any single time. Any chart is giving you ideas. So look, we pumped from a right there all the way to about there. And look at that, to the 618. I mean, every single time. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder, breakdown. So look, this followed to a T everything that you learn. Human beings seem to react in these same patterns over and over again. It just seems to be what we do. Shoulder, head, and shoulder broke to the downside. Inverted head and shoulders broke to the upside. It is what it is. You flip these charts upside down, look, they're the same idea. The universe does not care. It makes it move. We're the ones that flip it, spin it, and see it. Nice music. 2 Steps from Hell will be great if you use it for your video. Pump in 2 minutes. Just gotta find my keys. Pump BABYCAKE up, right? Anyway, look at that, man. BABYCAKE doing its thing. We're going to put that on your radar. Another microcap gem up in the game. BABYCAKE. We've done a lot. We've done some fractal magic. Let's take a look at Total too. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Haven't seen a super chat in a long time. Appreciate you guys, though. Thank you. Pump in 2 minutes. Just got to find my keys. Hey, Ahmad woke up. LOL. Shout out to Jesse B up in the spot. The money's coming. I mean, I don't know if it's coming to Coinbase, but the price is showing in there. Check out Ping Sonar, another BSC project taking off. Oh yeah, you guys gave us Sonar recently. Remember that? You did. You gave us Sonar. Someone on the live stream told us to get into Sonar. Actually had a real use case. Was quite interesting, right? Wasn't it? Ping. Yeah, Ping was the $4 million market cap and growing. Wow, look at this thing. Never stopped. Wow, we put this on the channel like a week ago. Ping, dude. So look, microcaps are back. They almost never stopped. They only dwindled a little bit. Continued to pump to the upside. Let's take a measurement tool here. 108%. Only 100% gain so far. I mean, there's so much more. This thing will get to the $50 million market cap. Look at the buys coming in for this. It's all buys. Look at that. Pumping hard today. And again, it respected the TA. How? Let me show you. It was a bull pennant right here. It formed a pennant. Whenever you can see a pennant form, it tells you that there's lack of selling. And then it had a very long pole from the curve. Elliott wave theory, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Boom. Still has a little room to go until it gets rejected by the target. But if not, even then, that's a good target. I mean, what a play. See that? You can make it all happen, man. Anyone who says pattern trading doesn't work just doesn't know how to pattern trade. It's that simple to me. Okay, let's take a look at DREP. Breaking through this neckline. What happened with DREP on the 15-minute? Well, you'll see this. This is why you see me doing this all the time. All right? Look at that. Look at that. Bull pennant. Lane to the pole. Swing it. Extract it. Move it. And now look, we're flagging again here on DREP. Watch DREP. Seems to be pumping. Breaking this previous high. And this high I find calls and trades. I'm like, wow. We are overbought on the 15-minute. So look for this to play out. So we're going to watch the 1 hour play out and see. Look, but what a pump, man. In the last 4 hours, this thing pumped hard. DREP doing its thing. Unbelievable. So the idea was you could buy the breakout or the retest. See the retest, breakout, retest of the trend line. Beautiful place. Stop loss right there, 2%. Look how that trade played out. 4-to-1 risk reward ratio. Just got here. We should count the money we held onto in a downtrend. Thanks, lifer. Just got here, and we should count the money we held onto in a down market. Thanks, lifer. Appreciate you, Ray, with the $20. Follow my keys. They're in my hand. Shaking my head. Already buckle up. We finna pump, boys. Raw money is which country currency? Our money? I'm not. I don't know. A rupee? I think it's a rupee. Thanks for the support, man. Please, what can you say about Bitcoin? We already gave you a Bitcoin trade at the beginning of the chart. Just roll back to the beginning of the stream. I gave you 2 Bitcoin trades right off the bat. Right off the bat. I'm gonna get some ADA next year. LOL. I'm buying working projects this year. It's a bad move, man. It's a bad move. But hey, do whatever you got to do. Hey, and honestly, it may not be a bad move. Everyone has a different plan, a different idea of what's going to happen. Look at DREP on the 7-minute, beginning to pump and forming a low. Watch DREP. This is telling me DREP is getting bullish. So you can watch DREP for a pump to the upside. DREP ain't done yet. DREP ain't done yet. Our baby STX coming all the way back down to $1. All right, let's see what's up with STX. Forming a bit of a flag too as well for STX. Look at this. There's the fake out and the break back down into the pattern. Okay. Possible head and shoulders that did not dump. That's another thing to think about. Without MATIC to drop in a nice price again, but pumps when Bitcoin and ETH move up, you know. Yeah, that's what we've been teaching you that. All right. That's what we're trying to show you. Look, the 7-minute looking very bullish on a lot of time frames here. My favorite time frame. About to get a bit of a pump. Very, very interesting. Very interesting. Did not sign up to that. Didn't think it was a good idea. Anyway. So look at my trade on the 7-minute. I gave you the trade earlier today, remember? And I said that my trades play out live on camera. This trade is playing out live on camera yet again. That's why you say whatever you want about the crypto life. You say whatever you want. I put out free trades every single day, and they break out in front of people numerous times. Even this guy, Jay-Z, eventually he realized, man, he came to this channel, he never left. Most people come and they never leave, man. Shout out to Ray with the $20 super chat. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very, very much. Nitro channel, Binance, HLO. Market is booming. It is, man. Market looks really nice today. And look, now we break above resistance. If we break above resistance, a pump to the upside is coming. Boom, boom, boom. Another bump up. Bitcoin USDT pumping to the upside and making gains, man. So love to see what I'm seeing right here on the 7-minute. That's why I love trading the 7-minute. And look, we broke above previous resistance. Highly likely this trade plays out now to the upside. I gave you this trade and I said we'll be able to find out if I'm full of it or not on the live. I like putting myself out there. I like showing my skill out live in front of everybody. I've been doing this for a long time. It's got to the point now where I can publicly show you my exact thoughts, my exact ideas, and they pump live as I'm talking. The green candle is booming to the upside as I'm talking, right? And I'm not trying to be, hey, I'm just saying, I'm showing you how the TA can change your life. If you dive deep into TA, you can print money for a living. You can print money for a living. I like your style. It's like watching a boxing match. Shout out to Justin L. Yeah, and there we go. Booming to the upside. I like what we're seeing. I like what's going down, man. Thank you to Justin L. Thank you to Juwandi Andrabi. Some advice about Theta, please. If you want advice, please send in a super chat and I'll help you out. What's up, people? Smash them likes. I hope Frankenstein comes back one day to its all-time high, farming away. I continue to farm Frankenstein as well, doing the same thing. It is what it is. You never know. I feel like it may be kind of on the way, but you never know. I've seen a lot of them just never really come back. So just, shout out to Julio Caesar, Labrana. I gave you an awesome Bitcoin trade right here. Showed you played out already. The kind of entry was at the low stochastic on the 7-minute. I also gave you a 1-hour trade that was bigger than that trade. Here's the 1-hour trade, and the 1-hour trade is beginning to play out as well. Told you to open it here near the bottom of the pennant, right? See right there? You're already up on the 1-hour trade, and you're breaking out of the pennant, getting to the top of the pennant. That looks like a breakout. If you're missing the breakout, look for a retest at the bottom. But Bitcoin's pumping, dude, and, it was ready to rock. I showed you we had a stochastic cross. Everything was going up. We were inside of a bull pennant that we made. We've been tracking this since last night. I projected the bull pennant before it was even made. I made the bull pennant when we just had a line there. And I said, if we stay in a bull pennant, we're bullish. So I already knew what the price needed to do for our trade to work out today. I projected that into reality, basically, You're watching it. And nothing's guaranteed. This could dump in our face right now. And I could look like a fool. Trading is, you never know what's going to happen. All you do is you find probabilities and you trade against them over and over and over again until you find your edge. All right. And it takes time, it takes discipline, and it takes learning. If you want to tackle it, you can. All right. But the reason why most people don't become successful traders is because most people don't want to put in the work and most people don't have the discipline, the time, or the focus. It took me years to finally wrangle myself to get a handle on this stuff. That's why I tutor people now. I give you the right mindset. I give you the right idea. I can square your mind away. I have a beautiful checklist that I formed after 15 years of trading. I finally put it onto paper and I realized, what do I do? What indicators do I use? What am I looking for? And I can give you basically a cheat sheet, a guide to help you get started right off the bat with 1-hour tutoring session. Your mind is blown. You're already starting to move faster. You're already starting to see things better. Then you come to my live stream. The live stream makes more sense after a tutoring session. So many people say, wow, after the tutoring session, I see so much more now. So if you wanted a tutoring session, if that's something you think you need, that's something you think you want for $100 right here, you can hit me up. It's Eastern time, United States, NYC time. Try to find your time with my time. And right here, pick a day and I will tutor you one-on-one. I'll also go over your entire portfolio, consult you. Some people need to learn how to just use DeFi. I'll help you do that. Whatever you need in cryptocurrency to get squared away. If there's something you just been trying to do, you can't get something off a hard wallet. You can't find a coin on your MetaMask. Whatever the issue is, I'm here to guide you. Troubleshooting, consulting, and tutoring. You name it. I'm here to help you out when it comes to cryptocurrency. All right. Some Theta and Doge advice, please. For advice, please come in and throw a super chat. Super chat, the advice is not free. Do you think Bitcoin is going to pump? Yes. Great call, bro. Yes. Almost 33K on futures. Yeah. Bull run BTC. Some advice about Theta and Bitcoin. I like your style. Sure thing. Already subscribed to your channel. That's why I'm able to join up on the live chat. Shout out to Justin L. Appreciate you, man. Tapping in, lifer. Shout out to Stack McChange, my dude, man. Join the Patreon, people. You'll be blown away from the amount of knowledge you get from only $100 a month. It's completely insane. Shout out to Rodney Robinson, the mod. Thank you very much. Stack McChange. It's like matching the watchers. Oh, I love that. I didn't even notice, but thank you very much. Appreciate you all. Stack, I'm going to make you a mod. You're here all the time. Stack's a mod, man. Appreciate you, Stack. Thank you very much for everything you've done for the channel and coming through every single day. Kidlink, dude, highly recommend tutoring. Think of doing another one soon. Thank you very much. I appreciate you saying that. How about AXS, bro? We'll take a look at AXS in a second if you send in a super chat. Let's take a look at MATIC for Ray. Let's take a look at MATIC for Mr. Smurvington. So here's the call right now for BTC. And we'll watch it play out to the upside. This is the retest. It breaks out, then it retests top trend line. Of the bigger trend line, that's really your positional strength to get in. We'll see. We'll see how this plays out. So far, so good on BTC. CHZ with the fractal like it's going to follow CHR, right? And look what we see here. Let me show you what happened. There's two things going on here for CHZ. Two things. One thing, it's definitely in a giant cup and handle right off the bat. All right. Second thing, it is forming a rising wedge, but it is tracking the 200-day moving average now on the 7-minute time frame. Look at how it broke out of this, just like it said it would, the cup and handle on the 7-minute. Look at that. I like the 7-minute time frame. I'm not telling you to use it religiously. I want you to know the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour first. Then you can get kind of crazy with it. But look, forming what? An ascending triangle that had a fake out. Shoulder, head, and shoulder did not break to the downside. A good sign when you see a very bearish pattern that could not play out. And now look, trajectory of this line. That's an ascending triangle that had a fake out to the upside. I like what we're seeing here. Booming to the upside. Watch CHZ. I'm telling you right now, if it comes back to the bottom of this trend line, it's going to do well. Now you open it up and you look for some more support and resistance lines so you can figure out where do you need to wedge yourself in here. All right. A little bit right there as well, which we tapped over. So look, price could come down there one more time to a wick. 22.6. So we're looking at a very small time frame, but this is looking pretty nice. We move this up to the 1 hour, you're going to see the same pennant. That's why you can find shapes on the 7 minute that follow through on the 1 hour. So look at that, man. It broke out of the cup and handle, formed an ascending triangle, booming to the upside. Even if you just take this, now you just take the length of the pole. Alt T is your trend line keyword, keyboard shortcut. So wow, looking really good on the 1 hour, like it's about to pop. Here's another call, CHZ, about to pop, do some damage. I would long it right around here. I'd put a stop loss right there below that previous low, and I would ride it to the upside. Bam, not bad. 4-to-1, almost a 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Also, these could be long-term holds. If we do find a bottom, this could be the places where you get in and you may never have to look back. It's happened to me before. I've started a small trade, turned into one of the biggest trades of my life, right? Because if you can keep riding that stop up. So every trade, you should have a plan, but in the plan, you should say, you know what, if the trade keeps running, I should let some of it run, like 20%, 30% of it run, regardless, right? Our money is which currency? I think it's a rupee. I don't know, though. BABYCAKE market crash increased by 10 million since we just looked at the chart like 10 minutes ago. Wild. One day I'll get my chance. I hope. Stack. Love all my lifers. Good people. Trent, Rod. Appreciate you, man. My man, Stack. June Abrabi did a super chat. Okay, cool. What did you ask for? Some theta and Doge advice. I'll look at that. Thank you. Apologies this morning for missing our Zoom. I scheduled another tutoring for Sunday. I'm looking forward to it. Shut up. Thank you, Mark Sanders. I appreciate it, man. No worries, man. It's all good. It's all good. We do not take your money. We're not that people. There's other people that do that. Oh, you missed a Zoom? Oh, you have to pay for another one. We don't do that. We don't do that. I show up for 10 minutes. If you don't show up, I leave. I go do something else. 10, 15 minutes. I sit on the Zoom. If no one shows up, I send an email or I have my team reach out. And then you reschedule, no worries. We don't take your money because you didn't show up. We find a way to work with you and get you going. The idea is to get the knowledge into everyone we know. I'm trying to form a crypto lifer movement here. This is how you battle. This is how you truly battle the powers that be. You form a like-minded group of people that live in love, power, and energy. We make our own money and we become self-sufficient. So I'm teaching you guys how to trade cryptocurrency, how to use cryptocurrency to your advantage. So you can change your life, get out of the current situation you're in, and then all of us can change the lives for many, many other people who are stuck, sitting in depression. This is a movement. You're joining a movement as well as a trading group. This is going forward at the highest speed of light, man. I am really trying to bring everyone to enlightenment, man. I found my place, man. I found where I am. I found where I'm happy. I found my position. I feel like I know what my purpose truly is in life, and now all I have to do is carry it out. But for a long time, I did not know my purpose, and when you don't know your purpose, how do you carry it out? And I was in a really strange place because I just couldn't find where I wanted to go, man. Morning to all from the PNW. Shout out to you, my friend. One day I'll get my chance, I hope. Shout out to Trent. You got your chance today, baby. You're a mod, baby. Thank you very much for everything. You're here every day, so you're modded out. Shout out to Trent Osborne. Thank you for becoming a mod on the Crypto Lifer Show. You're the man, dude. Appreciate you. All right, so there we go, man. Another beautiful trade on CHG. Highly likely to play out on the 1 hour. Remember, though, that 4 hours not riding to you. You're built for this lifer. Respect. Shout out to Buck Nasty. You are very underrated. Don't worry, we'll get there. We for sure have a loving family here. I think it's going to change the world, man, for real. Never been more at home with a group now. I found it. Sharing the love, man. Way to go, Trent. Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Yeah, you guys are awesome, man. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for coming into the live stream every single day and supporting the Crypto Lifer, man. Without you guys, I'd just be a guy in front of a screen doing my thing every single day. 139 people watching, 148 likes. Listen, I listen to this live stream every morning whilst working out. Just great vibes. Shout out to Jackman233. Right on. Yeah, man. Trying to boost up the energy. Trying to boost up the Earth's frequency, man. If we can raise the frequency, if we can raise the vibration, we can change truly the dimension we live in, and we can trade the space in which we grow. And anything is possible, man. Anything is possible. So you got to believe. You just got to believe. And if you believe, anything is possible. That's how it starts. Attitude is gratitude. Keep pushing forward at the speed of light. 1 hour time frame for CHZ on Binance. Where do you trade? I trade on Binance. Oh, okay. Do you like it? I love trading on Binance. It's my favorite. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. Thank you for coming on into the Crypto Lifer Show. Appreciate you. Enjin coin, oldie but goodie. Look at Enjin coin on the BTC pair. Let's look at some BTC pairs, shall we? Let's look at MATIC BTC. Let's look at MATIC USDT. We're going to get into MATIC for Crypto Ray. She called you Crypto Ray, but you are Crypto Ray, man. Booming, man. Just when you thought it was over, the coins pump behind your back. I'm telling you, man. This is also a tiny cup and handle, too. Look. Look at that. Tell you how I find them, man. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. But look at that. Bam, bam, ba-bam, bam. Enjin coin for the BTC pair. About to do its thing. It may get rejected by the 200. If it can break above that resistance point, I'd be super happy for that. Like it did here. Pop. Let's see if we can get the pop, ba-ba, Papalonis. What's up in the bigger time frame? Let's see what we see here. Let's see what we see on like a daily. The song takes a second to pop, but once it pops pretty good. But it just takes a second. I can't find when the music is. It's really weird. There's the live stream. No music on that one. Unless the music was hidden on that one. Could it be in the chat and just shrunk? Nope. Best performing. I'm not playing that one. Boom. That's funny, right? Boom. 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 Yeah, I was just trying to find the music and I can't find it. So I'm just going to keep it moving. But look at that. Enjin coin on the bigger time frame wants to break to the upside on the daily time frame. Look at that. So the dailies, you know, you could play the daily. You can. And look, above the 200-day moving average on the daily, beautiful thing. Usually is where it starts to break to the upside. Tight moving averages, beautiful thing. Enjin coin for BTC, about to make a play. So, you know, haha, I hate when that happens. BTC, please. We already went through BTC numerous times and gave you 2 trades on it, and the trades are actually working out. Go to earlier in the time, and you'll see. It was weird last night not having the music pumping, but I'm so used to it. I know, I was going to put it out. 78% for the week. Wow, BABYCAKE. Yeah, BABYCAKE pumping. MATIC running out of room. USDT. Thank you very much. We'll take a look at MATIC, USDT as well. So look, Enjin BTC. Here's your trade. The bigger the time frame, the bigger the stop loss needs to be. But that's possible a retest of the top trend line. Like that. Look. Retesting the trend line on the daily time frame. Stop loss below his previous low. 25%. I mean, and that's how you make serious gains in life. It's a daily. This is a midterm hold for Enjin coin. What it means is you would hold this trade for like about a month to 2 months. All right. What's up, Lifer? You're the best, buddy. Shout out to Jimmy Connors. You're the best, dude. This is hilarious. LO, it happens to me all the time with my iPhone. Music playing and I don't know how to stop it. And my chart also got a big one. How do you quickly resize it to normal? Also gone the big one. Just hit auto in the bottom corner here. Hit auto. It'll just resize for you. Make it the way you want it. So there's a daily call for Enjin. There's a smaller call for Enjin. All right. It's just what I do for a living, man. I pump these out. I'm like a computer, man. It is what it is. Every single day. You know Enjin coin's going to rip again to the upside. I mean, it's just only a matter of time. Let's look at this TRB idea here. This is the definition of a massive cup and handle. I like how the music came in right after I said that. It was hot, right? This is the cup and handle. This looks like it's ready to do damage. If it breaks that trend line, you're gone. Watch this trend line break. Watch this trend line break. I'm telling you right now. Let's go to that 4 hour. That trend line breaks. You're going to see a big pop to the upside. So watch this level. Boom. I think it's gonna boom up pretty nicely. Has a giant measured move out of the cup and handle. TRB. That's why you got to keep trading. You can't get stuck in the fear that they're putting out. What happens is you miss the greatest opportunities to become a multimillionaire. The difference between making a few $100,000 and making a few $100 million is getting in at the bottoms, closer to the bottom. Like you buy this TRB here at 0009, but then you buy it up here. No way, you're done. You can only now 10x instead of 100x. Like the difference between a 10x and 100x can be very, very small in price action when things start to move to the upside. DB Cooper cup and handle. Old Cooper cup and handle, man. Check out KLAY for me if you could. Love the music synchronation. Shout out to Jay-Z, man. Appreciate you very much. $4.99 super chat. Appreciate you, brother. You became one of the best, man. Isn't that funny? When you want to jump off the diving board from the deep dives and send them super chats, people. Yeah. BABYCAKE exploding, man. Shout out to Oi Rodney, man. Yeah, BABYCAKE doing its thing. Unbelievable, right? Another call here. I mean, we didn't technically give the call, but we went over it like yesterday, and it's been booming ever since. Looks like the market cap went up a lot. Did we pump the market cap? Did you guys help me pump this market cap? Let's take a look at BABYCAKE, shall we? One more time. Hit me, BABYCAKE, one more time. Get it? Hit me, BABYCAKE, one more time, baby. BABYCAKE. $51 million market. It was just a $1 million market cap. You said it went up 10. It went up 1 million. All right, 1 million. Someone said it went up 10 million since we looked at it. It went 1 million. A little bit of a dump there. I did say, dude, but the next dip should come down here, and then that's it. Pump. I think these are your 2 levels you want to watch. 3 levels you want to extend. Fine. Keep seeing it hit the Fibonacci retracement each time. Like, let's show you what I mean. Let's look at this Fib retracement. 0.5 into the 0.5 in the 618. Not bad. So where would the next Fib retracement be? We just move this Fib up again. Right? To the top there. Makes me wanna. See, this is where the music bothers me a little bit, and I would like to change it. And I can't seem to change it because I don't know where the music is, bro. Like, where did I put it? Small behind something? Like, I got the lo-fi chill beats. It's not that. Wonder if I right-click pin accidentally. You never know. I hate any of this because I have such a momentum to my movement, and anything that slows me down is just like, we were crushing it, right? And the momentum of the movement feels great. TRB in the cup and handle on the 4 hour. I like this, man. I like this. Wait for it to retrace on the 4 hour, and I would make a move on it. Actually, there could be a double top momentum here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour's oversold, man. Telling you, hey, see a little more downside, but not too much more out of this breakout area. TRB, man, put that on your radar for sure. SRM, man, I'm like anything connected with Solana. I like SRM a lot, especially now that it's down in the dumps, man. Serum Labs, right? Serum. Possible giant double bottom here. Look at that. That would be your move right here. Look at this. Highly likely that could be your bottom, double bottom right there. I mean, and you just get back to this high here, even right to there. And what it does, it will follow this double bottom. Now look, there's a fractal playing out here too inside of itself. What do I mean? Look, watch this. blow your minds real quick. Take this out here. Watch this. Right? Boom this out. There's your double bottom right there. Look at that. Same kind of thing going on here. Same kind of story. Shoulder, head, there's your shoulder. Boom to the upside. So watch SRM, I believe, breaking to the upside on this fractal idea here with a giant double bottom. May have caught that bottom. Do you see the bullish divergence? Swing down to swing down. Swing up to swing up. There's bullish divergence. What is divergence? Swing low to swing low here on the price. Swing up to swing up here. And boom. So here's an idea for SRM USDT, right? For 1 hour suggests that this is going to pump. And it's forming, look, a smaller flag here. See that? It's flagging out right here. So look, you go to smaller time frame. You go to a bigger time frame to confirm what you got going on. Then you shrink it down to find out what you can find, right? What, like, to make a play. You need, for me, I need a bullish pattern. This is a rising wedge, 68% chance to break to the downside, but so far so good. And nothing's going to be perfect. But that could break to the upside. And look, it's pointing up. It's suggesting that it wants to blast. So we're giving you two ideas here inside of the trade, right? You see what I'm saying? It could come back down. Look for it on the 7 minute. 7 minutes high. So wait for this to come back down possibly or break up. So two things could happen with this trade. I like what we're seeing here for SRM. Two ideas though. Possible two ideas for SRM, right? Who else does it every single day like this? Every single day. I've never seen it. We need more subscribers. We need more people watching this stream, man, every single day. Empowering the people. 150 people watching, 158 likes. Unbelievable. Ripple is exploding. Let's take a look at XRP, baby. I mean, there's some good news, man. I think we pumped XRP last night. Ripple is exploding. Not too bad. Look at the 7 minute. Stick to that 7 minuto. Swing, cup and handle, booming to the upside. And let's see what we can see here. They wanted it, came back down, wants it again. Says no. 7 minutes getting high. Look like it's going to go sideways, but not too bad, not too shabby. Bigger time frame could propel this to the upside. Yeah, look at that. XRP just broke out. Guys, that's a breakout. Breakout for XRP. I'm calling a breakout for XRP. Look for either retest or jump on in. I think you can ride this wave right now. And I'm telling you, all the USDT pairs are looking hot. I guided you guys with the BTC call, and then everything's going to keep pushing up. Here's a call for XRP live on the live stream. You go as low as that wick if you want to protect yourself. I think you'll get all the way up here to about 9% gains. Bam, right there. You don't even have to go that low. Now that you broke out, you could just go right there with the moving average. That's a 2.5% risk for a 10% gain. I mean, can't beat that. XRP, got some news coming out, right? XRP, USDT. So I hit you with short-term holds, long-term ideas, all sorts of different things coming at you. Micro coins, big coins, gems, total two, Bitcoin dominance, the whole market. You're not going to get this type of information anywhere else, man. Stick with the Crypto Lifers, guys. And if you need more, join the Patreon. Support your boy. I appreciate each and every one, all the new people that join the Patreon. I appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. This is looking very, very bullish. And I'm not saying this could be a bull trap. We could get up to 42K and we could bounce all the way back down to 25K. Do not believe the hype that it's over. We're out. No. All we do is right now for today, we get to have fun. Tomorrow, we'll see what happens. The 1 hour's pumping for us, so let's take the 8 hours of fun and let's make some money. Take these opportunities to get the movement, to get the pump. So look, total 2, breaking on out. This is really, really good. 1.3 trillion holding. I told you, I did not want to see us go to $1.1 trillion. Levels to watch. Shoulder, head, and shoulder breaking to the upside. Beautiful reversal pattern on the entire market cap for the cryptocurrencies. This is the entire market cap of all crypto at $1.3 trillion. I also show you that we, on a Fibonacci, we retraced all the way back to the 0.5 and the 0.65 and the 0.618 Fibonacci golden pocket. I got a possible, this is a possible idea here. I took the fractal from there, laid down the retracement, and boom, we could pump to the upside here. Possible double bottom, beautiful double bottom right there. I mean, and that's how things stop right there. Look, I took a fractal from here. They were pretty similar. They don't have to be exact, but they were pretty similar. I took this fractal here, right? Today's fractal day. You know it's funner. Things are getting fun again when I start playing with fractals, right? That's how you know things are getting all sorts of fun again. So I just took this fractal, and they look very similar. They look very similar. And whoever plays with Bitcoin likes to do the same things over and over again. They're not going to be perfect, but these are going to be very, very similar. Look, I just double-clicked price, and it made price the only window. Double-click anything you want, and that will become the only window. But look, so there's this here, there's this there. Look how these match exactly. Look at that. I mean, it's insane. Like, this is this right here. This is that right there, and these are that right there. And it tells you that we're gone. Like, we're gone. Like, we're gone. Bottom is in for BTC. That's what this fractal says, all right? Possible bottom in for BTC. Shout out to all my TikTokers. Shout out to everyone here on TikTok. Appreciate you. You're with the Crypto Lifer. And I'm going to give you guys an awesome, cool fractal. Look, I just took this fractal from right here. I boomed it out. I made it big. And I'm tracking Bitcoin's price. This looks a lot like that. These look a lot like those. And this double bottom looks a lot like the double bottom we see right there. They almost look absolutely identical. Pushing to the upside. And we're seeing bullishness for Bitcoin in the entire market. This is total. This is the entire cryptocurrency market for Bitcoin and all the altcoins, every single cryptocurrency put together. It's $1.3 trillion, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this. This fractal suggests that we could pump to the upside, guys. Watch cryptocurrency for the next few weeks. Dollar cost average into Bitcoin. When the fear is in, you will become a very wealthy person. Join my Patreon. Links are at the bottom of all my YouTube videos. Join my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys. To everyone on TikTok, I'll see you guys in my Patreon and on my YouTube channel. You can learn that knowledge and get yourself out of the 9 to 5. I will help you do it. I promise I did it, and I can help you do it as well. I'll give you 110%. Thank you so much, TikTok. Peace. Little TikTok thing. What time was that done at? What time stamp are we there? I can tell my guys. That was about an hour and 29:42. 1:29:42. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 10:31 a.m. About to move through this live stream from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. every single day. Okay, so there's a fractal for total. Right off the bat, looking pretty cool. I like what we're seeing. We saw it happen here again when everyone suggested we were going to go lower to 22K. You know, if we were going to hit the all-time high, I thought it would have been there. We are suggesting with this moot point, 42K was really the new all-time high. And, actually, no, look at this. Look at this. Actually, this is pretty interesting. The entire market cap got as high as about, right, 1.14. And look, we got as low as that. We tested the all-time high. Look at this. This is usually what happens. So Bitcoin may not have tested its previous high, but look at this. This is quite interesting. If I go to the low here, look at that, dude. I mean, and I also showed you that was the 618 and the 0.618 and the 0.65 retracement perfectly in a golden pocket. Let me show you what I'm saying here. I've been building a story here for a long time. I called the bottom at 32.4 or at 30K, and I started buying Bitcoin at 32.4 heavily, right? Started unloading. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. Testing divergence indicator. Yeah, so the Bitcoin bulls need to break 32.2 and 33.3. Funny little numbers, but it's true. It's true. This is also hidden bullish divergence on this time frame. But look, that was our high. We came back and tested it right there. Came close to test it again, but we made a higher low. That's a higher low, and we boom back up. We need to make a higher high. We need to get above $1.5 trillion. We need it. We need $200 billion to come into this market, and we need it in the next couple of weeks. If we can get that and break back above 200-day moving average here on the 4-hour, everything will be dandy. Look what I also see here kind of happening. Double bottom. And even though this is lower, possible shoulder, head and shoulder. Look at this idea forming in my mind. I start to project and then I make the play. Look at that. Possible idea that we could break to the upside with a neckline there. And it is in a falling wedge now, with a 68% chance of a break to the downside, a break to the upside. No more bear pennant. That's a falling wedge. Falling wedges break up. And I showed you it looked just like this one with the double bottom on the fractal. So a lot of cool information, a lot of cool things to see here for total coming through. I like what we're seeing. I want to see these hold 1.3 trillion. We hold 1.3 trillion. That's going to make me a very happy man. Also, shoulder, head, and shoulder hair forming. Look at this. So we're seeing bullish patterns that we know play out that I've shown you many times. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder. It's like the upside down fractal of BTC, breaking up to the upside. Same thing we saw in Enjin coin. A lot of different things here playing out. Okay. This is total. Let's take a look at BTC dominance. What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? It'll give you an idea with if the alts can play. So Bitcoin dominance suggesting some downside here on the 30-minute. Let's see what the 1 minute wants. One hour actually says, yeah, we may actually drop down. But look, cup and handle on it. We know what that means. So a little more downside possibly here on the handle. Today is a great day. The altcoins look like they're going to fly. Everything's going well for the alts right now and for Bitcoin. We're seeing the USDT pair is going to make a move. So today, take advantage of the moves today. It's going to be a good day to trade up until 8 p.m. tonight, 7 p.m. tonight. Find a pennant, find something, get in it. You know, see if you can wrangle into a trade. I gave you as many options as I could. I threw a lot at you guys. I hope you had a whiteboard. I hope you wrote it down. I hope you got focused, consolidated your ideas, and got ready for a move. Because today is the day you should make a little bit of coin for something that you need. You know what I'm saying? Or just dollar cost average into things and see that you pumped. Like BABYCAKE going insane. Free cake for holding too. Dude, BABYCAKE just continues going up. Yeah, you're right. Another $8 million in market just came in. $8 million just popped. And we popped off that low right there, BABYCAKE. The buys are going pretty nuts. $3, $8, $14. People don't put a lot on these BABYCAKEs. Unbelievable. BABYCAKE doing something pretty big. This market's crazy, man. 100 million supply, right? 58 million. Yeah, it was at 50 million. You're right. Now it's at $58 million. Let's even refresh this. Maybe there's more. You never know. Wow. BABYCAKE just went up. The market cap went from 50 to 58 million in front of us on the live. And look at that pump that's happening right there. Break back to the upside. We'll see what happens. Retracement down. Let's see what the retracement was. That's what I was about to get to, and we kind of moved on. I got to get to MATIC for the super chat. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Let me see if I missed the super chat. 7 to 8 a.m. is in how many hours? Money don't stop, and we don't stop trading. Shout out to Ryan King. Shout out to Matthew Rock. Shout out to Trent Osborne. Shout out to Corey Ling. Shout out to Mix Annie. Shout out to Manny, my dude. Shout out to Calabasas Crypto. I love the music on your channel. Shout out to SRM coming up weekly resistance 2008 930, right? Crypto is life. Shout out to Kid Link Dude. John Smith. I drive semi trucks and watch you every morning. You don't know how much positivity you add to people's lives, gang. This is so cool, man. Shout out to John Smith. Tunes are pumping. It's Friday. The sun is out and money is being made. Shout out to Oi Rodney up in the spot. It's Thursday for me. I guess it's Friday for you? Nah, it's Friday. It's still I wish it was Friday, man. Most of my stuff is staked. That helped me not do anything stupid when we dump this time. 0 to hero. And you continue to make money on your coins. Don't forget Clay for me. Thanks, Bradley. I got you, bro. This guy is hilarious. We'll take a look at Klaytn for my man. Clay for me, lifer. We got you. We got you. We got you. Let's just take a look at this Fibonacci retracement here. People come and they stay. People come and then they stay. I mean, look at that. 0.518, right? 0.5 fib and retrace. Boom. It's like people are pulling fibs on this and getting hard with it. And honestly, $50 million market cap is nothing. This thing can get up way, way more than that. Shiba Inu hit billions. I mean, if you can believe it, billions of dollars. And let's see how much cake is. Damn, man, BABYCAKE. I think 2 days ago was the day someone told us about it. I just kind of was like giving up on these tiny coins. I was like, all right. Dude, how crazy is that? How crazy is that? Look at that. I tell you, 333 comes up all the time on the channel. Look, I just pulled this randomly. 33333. What are the odds, dude? What are the odds? What are the odds? What are the odds, man? Look at that. 333. I'm blowing it up because I can't even believe it. 33333. This thing's up 300. 3,333%. Unbelievable. What are the odds, bro? The 333 comes up. It follows me wherever I go, man, and it comes out all the time. People say it's an angel number or something. I've researched it and I've gotten into it. It's pretty nuts. 143 people watching, 173 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? They call him a lifer because when you meet him, you're hooked for life. Shout out to Trent Osborne. Wow, 333. Isn't that crazy, bro? Let's take a look at Klaytn. Let's take a look at MATIC. Now I gotta pee. I had a lot of coffee this morning. STX starting to break to the upside. Looking pretty nice at 103. Watch that call for STX. KAVA got some news. Mainnet coming out. Watch KAVA. Look at it. Did break out already on the 7-minute. Clean breakout. Look at that. Flagging again. Look at the little flag it's making right here. Telling you that the thing is very, very bullish. It's making another flag. KAVA USDT wants to pump even more to the upside. Measured move out of the bigger triangle, the bigger pattern here. Bam. About to be oversold on the 7-minute. Looking for a scalp. KAVA looking nice. And look, it pumped hard. Look at KAVA. Did its thing. Did its thing. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. Broke the neckline. Boom. Just like everything else is going to do. Some are early, some are late. They all do it. They all pump. You got more likes than viewers. Happens all the time. I see the same. A coincidence is only a coincidence until it's a pattern. There you go. The universe is in your favor. You're protected. I believe that. I truly believe that. I'm 100% protected. Like, the universe wants me to move. They're like, okay, he's with it. He's part of the energy that we want. We're going to keep it moving with him. And I'm like, thank you. I'll keep it moving with you. And we'll stay in unison. And I know that no one can hurt me. No one can take me down. No one can stop me. The only thing that can stop me is myself. That's it. I truly believe that now. I was my own worst enemy for a long time, and I won't do it again. I won't do that anymore. When I see the tendencies of self-destruction, I reach out to a friend, family member, or use my wife as support, and I break on out of it, and I get myself back on track. And all of us are going to go through it. No one is perfect. The idea is to recorrect. The ship will sometimes go off, of course, but you just grab that steering wheel and you freaking put all your might to bring it back in, and you hone on in. You hone on in, right? Big Bully and Lilo. What's the deal with PGOE? Bought 50 worth, and now it's 2K. That's awesome, man. Shout out to PJO. Jeez, I realize it's only Thursday. Feels like a Friday, and it does feel like a Friday, man. Wow. Mods are back, livers. Yes, sir. Speak those affirmations. Affirmations into reality, reality into life, confirmation, existence, conviction, long-term hold, my Bitcoin all the day. Look at MTV in a beautiful cup and handle, breaking to the upside, also in a nice falling wedge as well, right? We could even change this trajectory. We're seeing higher lows up on the movement. We're bouncing off the 88.6. That's the 88.6 retracement. They did it. They brought everything to the 886. That's usually the retracement you see on a Fibonacci. 88% retracement, very healthy. Bitcoin didn't do one of those. Bitcoin only did like a 65. That's why people are saying, could we go to 10K? You know, could we go to 17K? BABYCAKE over $100 million market cap. No problem. The returns are much higher than Cake right now, and it has a total supply. Dude, story of my life and my daily struggle to keep myself from destroying myself. Nothing but up from now. Can you take a look at ETH? My best win seems to come from the dumbest assets. Isn't that funny, Big Bully and Elo? It happens, man. Can you take a look at ETH? We'll take a look at ETH. We got to take a look at MATIC. Family, honor that fam. Spirits can be fickle. There you go, man. Spirits can be fickle. Shout out to Ja Soleil, man. So look at MTV. Possible breakout to the upside. Look at this cup and handle booming. Big, big, big target. Big target out of MTV if it could break out and do what it's supposed to do, man. You could even say it's just in a giant symmetrical triangle. Break to the upside is coming. Price to the pole, that's your length. I mean, this thing has a serious, serious path to the upside. MTV, baby. I miss Bitcoin at 50K. No one does it like the lifer. Shout out to Jordan Cadillo. No one does it like the lifer, baby. Appreciate you, man. Shout out to MATIC USDT. Let's take a look at MATIC USDT. All right. Back to 89, playing games. If you scooped up MATIC down here at 64, you're a boss of bosses. Look at the divergence we found here on the 4 hour. Swing down to swing down. This swings down, but not half as sharp as that. So it still is divergence, and it played out. Okay. Did MATIC bottom? So many times it was making a pennant that it kept breaking. Kind of bring trend to here and say we were breaking it. I don't know, like something like that. This is tough. Sometimes I don't know whether I want to use the candles up here, the bodies there. Is it a breakout of the trend line? To me, it looks like it. Shoulder, head, and shoulder forming as well. Let's take a look at our support and resistance lines for MATIC. Previous high right there at about 54. That would have been the low, I believe, if we did hit it. We got pretty low. We got to 61. I did say I think we may get, and that's a range-bound area. Look, up and down, up and down. Came close to that area again. You can consider this just a huge double bottom, possibly kind of exaggerated idea, but it's there. Swing down to swing down. We're going to take a look at what we see here too. Do we see divergence of any type? What's happening on the 4 hour? You know what? I'm going to go to the 3-day and see if we have hidden bullish. And I think we do. Let's take the swing, which is like, you could say was there really, or even here. Swing. Yeah, okay. Exaggerated bullish divergence. That's flat or like very, very not down to the downside. And this is extremely to the downside. Actually, I think you need to take this swing to this swing, really, for it to be proper. Right there. Swing down to swing down. That's hidden bullish divergence. Tells you that the trend will continue to the upside. Perfect time to get into some MATIC at 89. 3-day wants to fly, right? Weekly wants to fly. This is when you jump into MATIC for sure and pump it to the upside. Get yourself a big old bag around 89 cents. Anything below $1 for MATIC is a steal. I'm telling you right now, anything below 90 cents is a steal for MATIC. We're starting to do our thing, man. Tightening moving averages, then they get loose. This is where you should have been getting in. If you could have at about 36 cents, then we popped, came back down. Now your chance one last time to get MATIC before the massive move to the upside. I see something brewing here. 1 hour looks nice too. Let's take a look at MATIC. Forming a flag right now. MATIC with huge volume, ready to pump. I like the call for MATIC right now. Looking really nice. 200-day moving average on the 1 hour, forming a beautiful pennant. What I like about this is that it has a trend line where it's very, very close to the bottom. Gives me protection for the trade. I also have moving averages coming in our favor. I have the 50. I brought across the 200, and the Stokes ready to go with a lack of momentum. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute is pushing up to the upside too as well. I like what I see here for MATIC. Long position possible right here. Stop loss below the previous low. Don't have to risk a lot. 5%. Let's take a length of that pole and find out where our measured move will be on the algorithm, because we know the market makers are going to program their algos to do this exact thing that we're doing. You want to trade like a computer, become a computer, make money like a computer. Do not use your emotions. You need to learn how to trade with technical analysis. That's going to be where you find your goal, your steam, your engine, your move to the upside. MATIC USDT, I like this trade. I like MATIC about to come back to the upside. Where is that target there? At about $1.17 for MATIC. Makes sense. It's really the next previous hard support. Hard resistance there. We will have some lines like right around here. These are our lines to watch for MATIC. But there's a call for MATIC right there. MATIC USDT. Slam, jam, bam. Let's go. Shout out to Cody May. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington. Entered into MATIC last night. MTV does look prime. It's TKY. Still a viable asset. I think it might be. I don't know really much about it though. I miss Bitcoin at 50K. Damn, that's all the comments we got. 186 likes. 146 people watching. Can we get the likes up to 200 now? I didn't get into BABYCAKE. No, I did not. I wish I did. And I can't tell you I get into every single coin. Work hard for you guys, bringing you guys these charts every single day. MATIC USDT. All right, on Binance. But you could buy it on. You could make this trade on Coinbase. Anywhere you want, really, multiple places. 1 hour. We're back in the moment. We're back in the movement. We're back in the money. Right? Risk 5.8% on a play right now. Let's see what we can see here. 10% would be 500, 250 on MATIC. I like to start my trade with MATIC. I'm going to start with a 5K buy into MATIC. I'm going to watch how MATIC moves. All right, now we have Bitcoin paving the way. Everything's starting to look good. We're starting to make sense. Trade's starting to be viable. Watch Telcoin too, man. Telcoin, man. Telcoin's really on my radar. Telcoin and MATIC, but I think Telcoin is the one. Every once in a while I pick one trade. One trade, that's the one. I believe Telcoin is the one. Telcoin. You know why? Because it took a beating more than all the other coins, and now it's still forming. It's and it's basically in the same pennant. So, looking pretty nice, right? I'm just setting up my trade here over on the left screen. Guys, this is 3 commas. If you want to learn how to use 3 commas, it can connect to all your different sites. You can control multiple exchanges with one button, right? Once you set up your APIs, it's beautiful. I have a description that helps the channel. If you want to join 3 Commas and use it, I'm going to show you how it works right now. I'm going to use it to make this trade. If you get excited about that, if that's something you really like, I would join 3 Commas. I have a link in the description of every video for you so you can find 3 Commas and get busy with it, okay? Just want to show you where the link is. Some people have trouble finding the link sometimes. I get it. It happens. I do the same thing. 140 few people watching. 147, 193 likes. Can we get the likes up to 200? You guys would rock my world. Pay that like tax. Hit the links in the description. Patreon, Telegram, Twitter, even TikTok. It's all there. Elevate with the family. Yeah, join the TikTok at The Crypto Lifer. I'd really appreciate if you join the TikTok. We're moving forward with TikTok booming up every single day. Appreciate you, man. I don't have my notifications. I should bring them up. 8,679 followers, 95 likes, 120, 78, 550. Look at 1,500 on this one. Booming. Look, shorted Bitcoin on the live this AM, right? Bunch of awesome information, man. Come join on the live stream daily. BTC, shout out to my peoples working hard, posting videos every single day. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 24, 27, 20, like 30 videos in the last week or two. Unbelievable. Really appreciate the hustle. Really appreciate the grind, man. It's about a video a day, if not about 2 videos a day or more. 3 videos a day would be 25. Yeah, you're doing awesome. Really, really appreciate it, man. Thank you very, very much. Rock out. Follow me at The Crypto Lifer on TikTok. Much appreciated. Okay, so we're going to make the trade right now for 3 Commas. All right, link in the description of my videos. If you want to learn how to use 3 Commas right here, look, I think I said automate your trading. I hate any type of dead air, but right here, look, Binance.com, 3 Commas right here. Use 3 Commas. That's my referral link. Helps pay for my 3 Commas. So I really appreciate that. Stacks, XRP Muser, like and sub, y'all. Shout out to XRP Muser up in the spot. I prefer Bitscat. I always see 3s and 9s. Shout out to John Smith. That's what happens, man. Pay that like tax. Appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for coming in. Thank you for all my mods. Thank you for everyone showing up every single day. I'll show up every single day for you if you show up every single day for me. Once you make all your Patreon members millionaires, we should all throw together a big self-sustaining community with a crypto farm. I'm telling you, man, I think it's going to go somewhere big like that. Like, I think it's going to get crazy. Like, I think I'm forming a bigger movement than I realize. I cannot wait to see how far this plan really, really goes. All right? So I'm going to start with a 5K trade right now in MATIC. All right, I'm going to show you the trade. So 5K, set take profit, set stop loss, limit order in at 90. Look, we're starting to move already from the 89. I told you the whole market looks pretty bullish today. Highly likely that these plays play to the upside. So look, we're going to open the position here. Stop loss is going to be 5.84% at 0.08472. So look at this. So I take this exact number. That's going to say 5.84 at 848,899, right? Boom. Take profit right there at about, and I go lower than 116. I'll take profit at 105. Even a $1 is going to be psychological resistance. A lot of people are going to put a $1 trade right there. They are. All right? So that will render me $500. We'll keep that for now. I'll give them the limit order, and we're going to create this trade for MATIC. Stop loss set, take profit set, and then I'm going to get into the trade. 3 Commas will automate the way you trade and make it very, very easy to jump on in. So use 3 Commas every single time you can. 11:52, and there we go. We're in MATIC. All right, trade has been opened. Boom. Then I tell my Patreons exactly what I'm doing with the money, exactly where I sell. So you might not know when I sell now, right? I can't go live later on, but if you're my Patreon, you'll get a video call exactly what I'm going to do with this MATIC trade. Okay, 11:52. We're almost out of here for the day. We're going to take a look at the news, see what's going on, take some more super chats, and then we're out of here for the day. 10 to 2 a.m. to 12. Thank you very much. Shout out to XRP Muser, man. Appreciate you, man. Should have given me that coffee this morning. I am like an energetic bunny, man, at the speed of light. How is SIA Coin? Is that trade available for free, or is it in the subscription? 3 Commas only. Muser loved the stream last night. Yo, thank you very much for saying that. Muser really appreciates that. All the love in the comments. Thank you very much for hitting up the Muser. He loves it, man. He loves it. He loves it. Trent, I'm holding XRP. My knuckles are white. Oh, man. Music. Highly likely this is about to pump out. If you miss the pump, look for a retest back to the bottom of the pattern and a break to the upside. So watch out for MATIC doing its thing. Can you check out one? When I buy, it goes down. Hilarious. Hilarious. This guy, man. I don't even like joking with the negative energies like that, man, because I like to just high frequency it out. So one doing the same thing, pumping to the upside, looking really, really nice. Let's take a look at one. Had a fractal for one as well. Look like highly likely. Look, it's trying to play out right now. Now one is shoulder, head, and shoulder. Needs to break this neckline. Like it didn't hit the neckline yet. So good signs for one. So one just needs to get above that spot. Let's see. Let's do our support and resistance lines for one. Yeah. So, kind of a hard wire, 6.5 right now for one, doing its thing. Also got rejected by the 200-day moving average on the 1 hour, needs to break above it. We're getting squeezed by the 21 and the 200. That's a good sign. Highly likely Bollinger Bands are getting squeezed as well. Let's take a look at the Bully Bands. What are the Bully Bands? The Bollinger Bands. John Bollinger created the Bollinger Bands. A standard deviation of moving averages following the price. So you can see when they get wide and small, just kind of shows you something happening in price action. If these moving averages get super tight, if the Bully Bands get very tight, like right here, they got pretty close. Boom, right there they got close. It's either it's telling you there's going to be a drop or a pump. And if you can use a pattern with the Bollinger Bands, it kind of tells you something happening. We are at the height of the Bollinger Bands. These should be tight. They're not giving you that much information right now. Let's take a look at them on the 4 hour. 4 hour is super wide, actually, telling you that maybe we get a drop here. So watch out for one, man. One's actually struggling a little bit compared to the other coins. I don't know why. And also, after this, can you look at IOTA, please? And thank you. Gotta send a super chat, especially towards the end of the live, man. Dude, we're already up $31 in the MATIC trade right now. Booming. Look at that. The quickest $31 you've ever made. We made $31 in 2 minutes. 44 bucks. MATIC pumping to the upside. Dude, people are following the trade. We're starting to get that volume pumping into the trade. People like it. Bitcoin dominance. Falling down for us on the 1 hour. It's going to be a nice trade for the day. Watch FET. FET's got a mainnet coming out in August too, so you want to ride FET for the next week. Highly likely it'll pump into mainnet territory. Giving you an idea here for FET. Why I believe FET will pump to the upside and continue up. Shoulder, head, and shoulder really negated, pumping to the upside too as well. Watch FET. Also in this giant inverted head and shoulder break to the upside, I'm giving you a call for FET. Talked about FET numerous times. It's still open right here. Get into FET. Stop loss here at 8%. Make 56%. Run it up into the mainnet on August 2nd. And then you can sell them like July 22nd, July 29th, 30th, somewhere around there. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, ma'am. You will get paid in the shade. Again, don't do anything I do on this channel. None of this is financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before getting into any trade. Everything I say here is for entertainment and speculative purposes only. Okay? LTX, look, breaking out of the cup and handle, pumping up, breaking through resistance. Watch LTX for a... Now, if you miss this pump, you're going to want to wait for a break back up and a retest. That will be the next movement on LTX. Lattice Token, man. Also been given to us by Token Metrics. Where was the previous high? Right here, look. Boom, boom, boom. All right? And then we also hit boom, boom. Where did we come back down to test? Right there. Very, very similar test. But the 50-day moving average got in between. That's the only reason I never see support and resistance get hit. Now we're up $60 in the MATIC trade, the fastest $60 you've ever made. Let's take a look at it. We opened the trade at 11.52. It's 11.56. I made $60 in 4 minutes. I made $70 in 4 minutes. MATIC continuing to pump. We're blasting off right now onto the upside. Once we get a break above 2, I'm gonna put another 5K into the trade and double down into the MATIC trade. I'm holding 5K of MATIC for a long-term hold as well. If this is just gonna be a scalp, I'm gonna take the money I make out of this trade and put it in what? Phantom. Until I get $5,000 to $10,000 worth of Phantom, then I will move on to my next plan. Right now, I'm just trading for Phantom, trading for Phantom, trading for Phantom. I have a goal. I have an idea. I know exactly what I want to do. Let's take a look at MATIC BTC. I'm also in a MATIC BTC trade. I believe MATIC will outpace BTC in the next 6 months. I believe holding MATIC against Bitcoin will prove to be a very fruitious play. I think I'll make a lot of good money out of that. SAFEMOON and DigiByte. We'll take a look at SAFEMOON and DigiByte. Appreciate that. Thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate you guys. Thank you very, very much. Can you feel the feeling? Can you feel where we're at right now? The super chat is at its pinnacle. I mean, the show is at its pinnacle. Like, I am at the highest frequency I could ever be performing. I am pumping at the speed of light. I am feeling it. I am breathing it. I'm looking at charts at the speed of light. I'm flying through different coins. We are moving, guys. You are giving me the energy. You are propelling my ability to move fast. The vibration is very, 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 very high right now. The frequency is very high right now. I could survive off this energy. I haven't eaten anything yet today. I'm telling you right now, I have not eaten one thing. I'm just drinking water and have a little bit of coffee. So look, MATIC on the BTC pair, highly likely it'll pump to the upside as well. I believe the USDT pair already kind of took a move because it's moving. Look, we're up $77 now. How to make $100 in 5 minutes. Trade with the Crypto Lifer. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This song is a little bit trancy. I can't find the music, so I'm just gonna have to play with it until we get out of it. I'm stuck in this music cycle. So just in the 1 hour, if you play the 1 hour, highly likely you get a nice beat move to the upside. Risk 4% to gain 20 MATIC BTC. All right. Have you gotten enough free trades yet? Sam don't need caffeine. I am breathing in, no stuffed up. Breathe in the mana. $84 in MATIC. That's how fast. I guess I definitely should have made the call. I love when you make a call and you're up immediately within 5 minutes. It doesn't happen enough. It doesn't happen enough, I'll tell you that. Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Beast mode, baby. Beast mode. Join me on Patreon while I'll teach you everything you need to know. Jump on in if you're a beginner. You need some tutoring, jump in for one-on-one tutoring with me. I'll teach you how to do all these things that I'm doing at the speed of light. I'll slow it down for you. I'll layer it. I don't care if you just began. I don't care if you don't know how to spell the word crypto. I will bring you in, and I will love it. I love sitting with a beginner, man. It really makes me happy. I enjoy it. It's the greatest gift you can do is by giving someone else. Okay. Okay. $95 in the trade now. How to make $100. 11:52. 12. How to make $100 in 8 minutes. Where else can you make $100 in 8 minutes? Tell me. Yesterday you saw me make $250 in like 20 minutes. Where can you do that? Highly volatile markets. That's where. Cryptocurrency. That's how. All right. Someone threw a super chat in. They asked for DigiByte. Let's see. Can you check out one? When I buy, it goes down. We took a look at one. I got to finish with one, though. BTC, please. I'm off to a workout. Nice one for the awesome stream, as always. Catch you lifers next time. Gonna use MATIC profits to buy a sub penny asset. Hey, don't like me some days. Shout out to Jay-Z. Shout out to everyone here on the spot. Can you look at KLAY? Oh, yeah, we got to look at KLAY. No, guys, when I do that, just know that I have ADHD, and so much is running at the speed of light through my mind to keep this going. I'm using intuition. I'm using what I do for a living, which is cryptocurrency, technical analysis. It's a lot. KLAY, look at that shady wick on KLAY. What I like about KLAY is, I mean, it's got some shady wicks, right? But look, it's in a giant bowl. But Jay-Z, man, I thought you didn't need my TA, man. You better than me, man. I'm just... We started kind of going at each other at the very beginning. But that good traders usually, two guys with two ideas. We're going to wrestle each other for a minute till we figure it out. And then we're going to come to brass tacks and figure out what's going on. I respected you when I saw that you project days in advance, hours in advance. Because traders, it takes someone who's stuck with the craft to project. Once you're projecting in that manner, I got respect for you because I can see you put in the time that I put in. And then I know I can talk with you and I can share. And now I know you're someone that knows more about me than others because you put in that work. So Jay-Z, man, I love you, bro, and I appreciate you more than you would ever know. Klaytn breaking out of this beautiful pennant, right? It is breaking out of a pennant. Sorry it took me so late. An hour ago, we would have actually get someone in the trade. Honestly, pick a USDT pair, find a bull pennant, and get in. It's that simple. It's that simple, baby. All right, guys. The stream will be ending soon in about 5 to 10 minutes. The stream will be ending soon. Putting that out there for you guys. Guys, we're up $119 in the MATIC trade. Pumping to the upside. Should have put 10K in it. I usually do. KKKKK. Why would you do that? That's kind of weird. Sounds like Lifer had some coffee this morning. Shout out to Jason B. on fire. Yeah, I'm on fire today, bro. It's true, man. I did drink coffee today. Steel sharpens steel, baby. It is, man. We can be cool with each other because we understand each other's hustle. I love you, bro. I like you. Honestly, man, That's how people connect fast. That's why another boxer can be friends with a boxer. Quarterbacks are friends with quarterbacks. So look, $108. How to make $100 in 10 minutes. It's 12:03. We opened the trade at 11:52. How to make $100 in 10 minutes with the Crypto Lifer. That should be the next thing. So guys, look, we're at TikTok right now. I'm going to show you. We opened this. Hi, shout out to all my TikTokers. I want to show you a trade that we just opened up live. I give you guys free live trades here. Educational free live trades here every single day on my YouTube channel. I'm also going to give you this little short to the TikTokers because I love you guys loving your little TikTok flip flop. You're going through. I know what you want to do. At the speed of light. I know. I get it. Check it out. Yeah, I'm as crazy as TikTok. Yes, I am TikTok. So take a look. Down. We're up $81. A second ago we were up $100, but no worries. It's the volatility of the market. But still, we opened the trade at 11:52. We're up $81. It is now 12:04. We've been in the trade for 12 minutes and we've made $80. How to make $80 in 12 minutes? How did we do that? How did we figure it out? Very simple. We found what's called a pennant, very similar to this Klaytn call right here. And we played what's called a bullish pennant. We put a stop loss below the previous low and we rode it to the upside. Let me show you what I mean for MATIC USDT. Let me show you exactly what I mean for MATIC USDT, guys. Shout out to all my TikTokers. Love you guys on TikTok. Appreciate all the love. Please follow me, support me, keep it moving. So look, it broke out. Here's the call to open the trade here. Stop loss here and boom to the upside. MATIC starting to move. Highly likely it'll aim all the way back up to my target. This is what we do for a living. Love you, TikTok. Stay tuned for more every single day. Peace. So some TikTok segments. We had one at 129. What time was that at? So I can give my guy exactly where the TikTok moves were. That one happened at about 203, 204. So 129 and 203. I got to write those down. So I have a... There it is. 120, 29, and 203. Ooh, and my favorite song comes back? Are you kidding me? Hell yeah. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. BABYCAKE is going insane. Hey, Lifer. Love to see you again. Shout out to Stinky Gator Bug, man. My dude. Be safe out there. Great work. Shout out to S-Pin. Shout out to Matthew Rock. Would say so to Mikhail. Shout out to Matthew Rock. Good time to buy cake and stake it. Always, baby. Always. Rejected a previous resistance. What? MATIC retest and breakout. Yes, definitely. 200 plus likes. Back to back days, man. 211 likes. Only 200 dislikes, man. People loving the stream, baby. Hit that X in the top right. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that like. Join the Telegram. Continue the conversation. We need you, lifers. Yes, we do. We need to grow at the speed of light, guys. Look, altcoin super cycle incoming now. BitBoy. So funny, man. But it looks like something is brewing. And I'm telling you right now, we could see a massive pump coming. If you held through these losses, if you stayed with the Crypto Lifer, that's going to be the move, man. That's going to be the move. Trust me. Trust the Lifer. Trust yourself, actually. Trust the TA. Don't trust me. Trust the TA. The TA will prove you right every single time. Or prove you wrong if you disagree or go against it. If you don't do your due diligence. Okay. So we went through Klaytn for you. SAFEMOON and DGB. Let's take a look at SAFEMOON real quick. Holding long bags. SAFEMOON struggling back at 2.5. It pumped up hard today, though, on the 5-minute. Everything pumped. Everything's going to pump. When the market comes back, I believe any coin that at least has substantial following, a known group that likes it, it's going to pump. It's going to pump. But SAFEMOON definitely down in the dumps. Look at that. Really not much to talk about with SAFEMOON. It's got to break above support and resistance lines here. It definitely bottomed, though. Look at that. Boom, back up. It's getting resistance here. It's got to break above this resistance. I think with the exchange and all the things coming out for SAFEMOON, I believe we're going to see movement for it. But right now, I mean, not much TA to be done with SAFEMOON. You see what I'm saying? Like, possible shoulder, head and shoulder we'd like to see break on out. Right now, it's got a trend line that it needs to break. Just forget about this and hodl it. Look at it like a gamble. Whatever happens, happens. And if you make money, be pleasantly surprised. But just assume that you're going to lose it all. All right? Whole market with a lot of upside. Thanks, Big Billy. Telcoin looking strong. Telcoin's my play of the day, baby. My play of the day. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Now DigiByte for my dude. And DigiByte. Look, we got you, baby. BABYCAKE in the same category as a Shiba and SAFEMOON. Yes, it is. It could do some serious damage. Liver, where do you see Bitcoin Daily RSI breakout? Yes, I do. I've been talking about it for a long time. Daily's been oversold for a long, long time. Only a matter of time we're going to get across. This track will get you through traffic. It really would, man. It really, really would. You just be like... Okay, so now we're going to look at DigiByte. On the move here. USDT for DigiByte. Shoulder, head, and shoulder, same thing. Got to break through the bully bands. Guys, everything's in the same pattern. You see how everything moves together, especially when the market finally moves back up. It's how it's kind of simple to find out when we're breaking on out. I mean, these bullish patterns don't show up unless we're bullish. Now you see we have 1,000 bullish patterns, so you could trade DigiByte. You could trade any coin right now. Pick a USDT coin, track BTC, trade against it. I'm teaching you guys exactly how to make it happen every single day. Not sure why the algorithm won't get us back to 200 people, man. I'm from Baglades. Take love from us. Appreciate IOTA is looking really good. I hope after 2 to 3 tough months, this is going to get a bit better. No fun for the rookies that started in the dump. No, it's not. But you know what? They learned valuable lessons, man. They became strong right at the beginning, right? Now they know how to take profits in this next big run. So honestly, it's the best thing that ever happened to you, newbies. Take it as a learn. You're not here to leave with money. You're here to leave with an experience. So if you got an experience, that was the key. It wasn't the money. Don't beat yourself about money lost. Beat yourself about experiences lost. When you don't put in the effort in life and you miss out on life, that's what you should care more about than losing money. If you gained money but lost an experience, like people that work so much and didn't spend time with their kids, those people missed out on the experiences of life that life was trying to teach you. The touch, the moment that you can spend. Like I held my daughter's hand today. We walked around the neighborhood. That was so special, man. And I realized, how many people can I hold hands with? Not many. Not many. So it was a very special thing. And we want to remember that and cherish those things, man. Cherish those things. Cash money, baby. Hello, shout out to Crypto Queen. Shout out to everyone here. Digi in 2008 rocketed. Yes, it did. Remember that? DigiByte? One of the first coins I ever looked at. Hit the like button, guys. Get the likes up to 250 likes. Get us moving every single day on the live stream. Appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. So I think I gave you enough. Hitting home, bro. Shout out to everyone. Chris Buckland. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. Let's take a look at BTC, USDT. And we're going to take a look at the news. Make his day. Jordan Cazillo. Yeah, all you got to do is hit the like button, send me a super chat, and you make me the happiest person in the world. Isn't that cool to make someone that happy? What an awesome idea, right? And look, there's your retest for BTC. I gave you the trade. I tracked it for 2 days. Kind of knew exactly where it was. These are the days. These are the times. Let me be free. Let me design. We all want the love. We all want the... oh, man. So now I'm going to take a look at the news for BTC here. Sorry, 1 second here. Made a bit of a mistake there. FTT2 up. FTT token, man. This is looking beautiful. Look at the 7-minute trade. Played out exactly as planned. Live on camera. We started this trade when the show started. And I said a lot of my trades break out on the stream. And I said, and you guys can find out if I'm full of crap or not. Sorry, full of nonsense. I don't like to swear. Full of nonsense or not right here on the live. And, I mean, you would have just risked 5 to make 1.6%. With 30x leverage, that would have made you damn near 54% gains. Everybody's clowning Elon for his lack of Bitcoin knowledge, I'm hearing. We've been through this pumpage before. We are not in the clear yet. Oh, we're not in the clear at all. Honor it. Spirits can be fickle. Make his day. So look at that, man. A trade that played out right in front of you on the live stream. That was the measured move. We hit the measured move. Exactly. Stop loss did not get hit. I do this all the time for a living, and I'll show you how to do it every day. You can print money if you know what to do. You can print money if you know what to do. John, I did SAFEMOON and DigiByte already. Oh, wait, maybe that's late. John, I did SAFEMOON and DigiByte. You must have left the stream. So I went and did SAFEMOON and DigiByte for you, and then you missed it? You should go back into the stream and find it. I hit you up with it, man. That's kind of whatever. Okay, man. Things are heating up. Things are heating up. I was telling you guys to buy Bitcoin a long time ago. People are going to watch me become like world famous off Bitcoin. I think it's going to be the destiny. Uncle Doge and NYC billboards. Uncle Doge and the billboards. I need access to more coins. Then make it happen. MATIC one last time. No, I gave MATIC like 100 times. Join the Patreon, man. If you guys really need these things, join the Patreon. Bitcoin at 32,370. Doing its thing, baby. A lot of nooge coming in. Breaking news. NatWest becomes latest financial giant to restrict Binance payments. NatWest, the British banking giant, has joined the growing list of financial institutions cutting their ties with the world's largest cryptocurrency. Some more FUD, man. So you're still being Ether long term. I see. Hey, man, I want to ask you about the project Uncle Doge and NYC billboards. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing, man. This ain't my first rodeo, bro. This ain't my first rodeo, man. Wow, you guys let me rock the music pretty loud today. I didn't realize I had the music rocking that loud. I use NatWest. Well, you're out the door now. Sorry to say. That stinks. Okay, crypto CEO unfolds. How is Bitcoin likely to go from 100K to a 300K price point? Several analysts have already predicted that institutional investors pouring money into Bitcoin may be the push the market needs to recover for the current slump. Notably, the last surge Bitcoin had before it plunged lost over 50% of its value, has been said to be largely owing to interest from institutional investors. By several observers, currently cryptocurrency analyst Eric Weiss has speculated that when the price of Bitcoin gets to 100K, institutional investors will go all out to adopt the asset, thereby driving the price up to $300,000. Weiss, the founder and chief investment officer of Blockchain Investment Group, is not alone in his optimism for the future growth of Bitcoin. While there have been predictions of future losses, most cryptocurrency analysts have speculated that it is inevitable that the price of Bitcoin will reach new highs before the year runs out. For several of them, including Plan B, creator of the stock-to-flow model for Bitcoin, the worst-case scenario for Bitcoin by the end of the year should be about 100K. The worst-case scenario. You know how loaded we're all going to be? You know how high these altcoins are going to be? Yeah, I just got goosebumps, bro. Like, we're going to be so paid in the shade. This is absolutely ridiculous, man. Whacked countdown and 15 hours left. Yo, yeah, this is going to be 30 days since, dude, I saw something on BitChute, man, where a girl says she's going to come out with the McAfee contingency plan coming out. It's not over. Crypto is organized like crime. These rich dudes are smart and dirty, just shaking people down. That's it, man. Why don't you just buy some Uncle Doge so you can promote it? Send me some. Send me Uncle Doge for free. That's how it works. You send me like $500 worth. You send me $500 to $1,000 of Uncle Doge for free, and I'll check my wallet every day and see how it goes. When I check my wallet, that's how you guys will get your promotion. There you go. All right. And I'll tell everyone that it could be a scam, and I don't know. These guys just gave it to me, and I'm promoting it, but we don't know. And I'll tell everyone, be very, very careful. You know, with a grain of salt, it is what it is. Right. So if that's what you want to do, DM me crypto_lifer. Have one of your devs reach out to me. Send me free Uncle Doge, and then we'll talk about it. It's that simple. That's how it works out. I have hundreds of people doing that for me or asking me to do that, and then I say no or yes. It depends on the time. Sometimes I say nothing. It all depends. Musk triggered average people send proofs of Bitcoin nodes. Tesla and SpaceX chief Elon Musk shared another opinion on Bitcoin, and the cryptoverse had counter arguments and lots of pictures. This time, Musk was skeptical that the average person can run a Bitcoin node. He expressed this doubt during the multi-anticipated conversation on Bitcoin between Musk, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood, and Square Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey. But hey, Elon Musk, I'm a dentist with no coding knowledge and running a Bitcoin node. Pretty simple, thanks to Get Umbrel. Look at that. He's doing Umbrel. Run your personal Bitcoin Lightning node. GetUmbrel.com. I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to start and run my own node for sure. Become Bitcoin. Run your personal Bitcoin and Lightning Network node. Self-host open source apps. Cut out the middleman and use Bitcoin to its full potential. Get started. I'm going to be doing this, guys. I'll put out a link for you guys. I'll make sure it's vetted first. Make sure it's nice. But dude, running a node is for everyone. I'm going to run a Bitcoin node. It's the safest thing and the best way to do. Get up and running in 5 minutes. Install Umbrel on a Raspberry Pi. Dude, I'll go get a Raspberry Pi. Dude, install Umbrel on Linux. Dude, I'll run a Raspberry Pi. You know what? It's the tiniest computer in the world. They're awesome. Raspberry Pis are great. It is a little, I see what he's saying. That dentist said no coding experience, but like most people don't know what Raspberry Pi is. You know, I had to find out that by like breaking, like I had to take apart drones and get really crazy, and I was doing all sorts of crazy stuff. So, have you seen Uncle Doge billboard ad? It's huge in Times Square. Uncle Doge in NYC Times Square. I appreciate you guys. Crypto Queen, thanks for coming here every day. My mods will delete you soon if you keep it up. And I don't want them to, so keep it, you know. 222 likes, 2 dislikes. That's pretty cool. Quadruple 2s. All right. So, I like this idea. Elon said the average person won't run a node and will age like someone saying the average person won't be able to have their own Wi-Fi router 20 years from now. Look at all these people running nodes. Shiz node. That's funny, man. Look at all these nodes. People are running like the Raspberry Pi node right there. Tiny little node. Hilarious. Look, a little node. Little Lego node someone's running right there. They built a Raspberry Pi Lego node. A Nintendo. Someone put one inside of a little Nintendo. Hilarious. Look at all these people running Bitcoin nodes. This is funny. And this is another reason. Let any government try to stop Bitcoin. We'll fly nodes on drones. I'll keep a node on a drone. That's ridiculous. A drone node. Dude, this is hilarious. Look at all these people running drone. So it's funny. Another idea Musk expressed in this conversation is to put a Bitcoin node in SpaceX Starlink terminals. So that way more people would be running Bitcoin, which he says has disclosed with his team already. Running a Bitcoin node is important if you want to trust that your Bitcoin transactions are being correctly verified and processed. All who run nodes are actively working to secure the Bitcoin network. They're also running their own banks as well, gaining deeper knowledge regarding their inner workings of the Bitcoin blockchain. I suggest everyone run a node. All right? I'll do a giveaway. I'll buy someone a node. That will be a giveaway this week, next week, this month maybe. I'll be giving someone away a Bitcoin node, or showing you how to run a Bitcoin node. I think that's something. If I give things away like that, it will help the channel. Guys, we were flying up in Twitter followers. Please help me get more. I want to get to 2,000, 18,000, 13 Twitter followers. CryptoLifer33. Follow me on Twitter. I appreciate it. Crypto companies raked in record-breaking $4.4 billion in Q2. Venture capitalists splurged $4.4 billion on cryptocurrency companies in the second quarter of 2021, despite a massive crash. With such a staggering sum of money, Q2 comfortably surpassed Q1, dwarfing all of 2020. So, all of 2020, more money went in Q2. I mean, that's telling you VCs are still bullish and they're going heavy. They know what's happening. They love these low prices. Premier club Waterford's new sponsorship deal is all paid in crypto. Football Premier League's club Waterford has recently signed a sponsorship deal with Stake.com, crypto sports betting platform and casino. The deal is all paid in cryptocurrency, but the football club didn't reveal the financing details. The online betting and casino service has announced an upcoming giveaway of over 10 million Doge, 1.9 million, on its international platform. Commence its long-term partnership with Waterford. That's the thing, man. Yeah, so a lot of people bought it, but JP Morgan, a lot of people bought Doge, but it's that popular, so you can still run it. If you give away Doge, it helps, right? On lunch break, enough with the shilling. If you're like Uncle Doge, you're the kind of person that walks into a salty bar and orders a cranberry juice. Shout out to Big Irish, man. Back in the chat, 8-7 chorizo tacos. Damn, dude, y'all crazy. Uncle Doge is down so bad. Yeah, get off our channel, man. JP Morgan opens access to Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum funds for retail wealth clients. JP Morgan, who said it was rat poison, who said stay away from it. The freaking Damie Dimon, who said get away from it. Chase Bank, all these guys, man. Come on. Chase, the largest U.S. bank, has reportedly opened access to cryptocurrency funds for all its clients in its wealth management division, according to a memo obtained by the Business Insider. This is so bullish news, man. Time for India's CBDC is nigh, but why is the RBI bank keeping Bitcoin at bay? Yeah. Alabama says BlockFi should sold unregistered securities. More trouble for BlockFi. The U.S. state of Alabama accused BlockFi of selling unregistered securities of $14.7 billion. Joseph Borg, director of Alabama Security Commission, sent a cause of order to BlockFi Wednesday, alleging the firm had violated the state security laws. Get a life. They don't know the laws. They don't know the laws. These are false laws. Wait for XRP to come out with that lawsuit. And we're going to end here with rapper legend Busta Rhymes, officially a Bitcoin holder. Busta Rhymes is officially a Bitcoin holder. The final pitch was him watching the discussion between Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood. Dude, after watching the conference, I'm sold on Bitcoin, officially holding Bitcoin, looking to ETH next. Dude, you would have thought people with that much money would have already been in early. The rapper explained that the final push towards making a decision was the discussion between Elon and Jack Dorsey. That's really good. This is spurring. Then he gets in, other people get in. So that conversation is sparking a movement. This is huge. Shout out to all my TikTokers, guys. I know you like TikTok. I know you like hip-hop. TikTok, hip-hop, and Shout out to all my TikTokers. I know you like hip-hop. I know you like TikTok. I know you like crypto. This is TikTok hip-hop crypto. And this is the rapper legend Busta Rhymes is officially a holder. And you know he has mad money. So you know he didn't just go in for a little bit. He probably bought millions of dollars worth of BTC. He didn't disclose how much. He didn't disclose how. But believe you me, he bought a bunch of BTC. And it was at a nice price and in a good spot. So guys, more people like this are going to be buying it. Shout out to all my TikTokers. You know this is hot. Busta Rhymes buying Bitcoin after watching the conference with Cathie Wood, Jack Dorsey, and Elon Musk. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Guys, thank you for sitting with me for these 2 hours. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you for all the love. I'm out of here for the day. I'll be in the room for my Patreons, helping them learn and love and push forward for a new move every single day. Shout out to everyone that took the MATIC trade. We'll see what goes on. Shout out to the BTC trade. Keep your stop losses in place. Look, right now we're coming back down for a possible retest right here. Boom for the retest. 7 minute is coming back down for the retest. 1 hour still pushing up to the upside. Do not worry. Trades still look very viable. This happens all the time. It does a breakout and it does a retest. Perfect time to get into the trade, in my opinion. Bye, Poppy Irish Club. Shout out to everyone. Crypto is life. Don't stop. Hit the Telegram. Thanks for the stream. Busta pumping BTC, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. But mommy said no more. You can say, you want to just say it out loud? Mommy said no more. But you can say it with me. All right, say it with me. Just come say it with me. Okay, guys, at the end of every live stream, I would like it if you comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Thank you for all the super chats. Appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. Anyone want to send $9 to bring this up to $100? Anyone want to make my day and bring this chat revenue up to $100? That would be super awesome. I'm trying to hit that goal every single day. Mike Elon Auto Doge. Talk us about Uncle Doge. It's time. Square. If one of you Uncle Doge people gives me a $9 super chat, then I will actually mention it in the proper way, show you the chart, and do a deep dive. Just because it's the Times Square doesn't mean much. Someone I just paid for an ad. Uncle Doge is garbage. Shout out to Produce the Peace, man. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. You know what we say at the end of every live stream. We say 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. So we're going to say it right now. We're going to get ready for the end. Boom. So, guys, thank you for coming in. We had an amazing stream. We gave you multiple trades. We showed you how to trade, gave you multiple things. I hope you learned a lot in this live stream. Thank you for everyone who participated. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the love. I'm getting a coffee now because of the trade calls. It's 11:30 p.m. here. Cheers from Vietnam. Shout out to everyone out there, man. I appreciate you all. I saw Uncle Doge in my toilet a few minutes ago, bro. Just are you all working for free on this UD thing? Right? I know, right? You're the greatest. Uncle Doge, I like it very much. These guys are ridiculous. Julius Caesar Labrana, hilarious, man. All right, guys, thank you for being here. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. Say 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. And I'll see you on the next live stream. Peace. Crypto is life.